Yes, people, a very, very happy morning to all of you. Somebody is very dull today. No? Thank you, people. Thank you so much. So, guys, we started with a brand new topic in the last class, which was Goodwill topic. So, let's do a very quick recap of what we studied in the last class. So, I asked all of you, what is the meaning of Goodwill? Most of you gave correct answers. You said Goodwill is an intangible asset. Somebody said Goodwill is a non-current asset, right? Nothing wrong in it. Goodwill is nothing but a good reputation, good image, or a brand value of the company. Nothing wrong in it. Goodwill will bring benefits to the business. Very true, nothing wrong in it. But unfortunately, none of this I can account it. Accounting is a systematic process of identifying a business financial transaction and measuring in terms of money. So now this goodwill, how do we measure? Because I need a value, I need an amount. So how do we measure? So they say goodwill is nothing but present value of the future profit that is being sacrificed. Who is sacrificing profit? Who will sacrifice profit? Owners will sacrifice the profit. So this goodwill topic will come only in the case of partnership concern. No, this can come in the case of sole proprietorship concern also. Kalpavriksha Academy, imagine I'm the single owner. 10 years, good brand value I've created for this brand. Now, tomorrow when I sell this to somebody else, I will sell it with goodwill only. So goodwill is not a concept that is restricted only for partnership concern or a company. It is also applicable for a sole proprietorship concern. For any business, goodwill can come. So when will goodwill come into picture? Whenever any of the owner talks about sacrification of his profit, that time who will pop up? Goodwill will pop up. Got it, not got it. So goodwill has got significant connection with the sacrification of profit. In this chapter, what are we going to learn is how do we measure goodwill? Measure means what? How do we calculate goodwill? So there are various methods, formulas that has been suggested, which all of us we are going to learn. Right? Yes or no? Yes. So I gave an example of Tasty Bites. In that we understood that we started actually a business in the financial year 21-22. Who are partners? All of us are partners. We started a brand name called as Tasty Bites. May I know Tasty Bites is doing what business? It is into restaurant business. Multi-cuisine restaurant we are running. Right? Now, I gave you 5-year ka data. Tasty Bites means you and I, we owner, were running this business for how many years? 5 years. 21-22, 22-23, 23-24, 24-25, 25-26. Any problem? This 5 years, look at the profitability, people. First year profit 50,000, then 125, then 175, then 2 lakh, then 250. We are gradually growing in the business. My simple question to all of you: does the growth in any business or profit in any business just like that it comes? No. For that, as an owner, you have to put a lot of hard work. You have to bear a lot of pain. You have to go through a lot of challenges. Overcoming all of them only, a successful business can be established. So we discussed in depth in the last class that how did we bring this brand into picture? In the brand, எப்படி create பண்ணோம்? How a good amount of reputation is brought to this brand. So we went through the struggles in establishing this business. Establishing this business was not easy. We had a tough time in identifying in which location should we set up the business. It did not happen in one day. Several days, several weeks we spent. So much of discussion with so many people we did. And then finally, location was finalized. If location is finalized, everything is over. No. Now we have to decide how to set up the structure. You discuss with so many architect, interior people. Finally, you set up the process. It's not one day process. Again, months of headache in setting up the entire business. Once the business is ready, okay, no, you have to set the team. There should be top management people who will take decision making for running the business. You need to have a good operational people. So in restaurant business, what is important? Chef team. Chef team is very, very important. Chef alone is not sufficient. Chef will prepare the food in the kitchen. Somebody should be there to serve. So serving team should be very good developed. Like that, with great difficulty, we set a good management into picture. Again, so much of struggles we had. Initially, the people that we hired were not good. So we had to throw them out, bring new people in. This entire cycle was not easy, boss. So much of harassment, torture we went through to set up a good team. Not just that, for a business to be hit, good. Product also should be good. The services that you provide should be good. Day one la product first class vandruma varadu. You'll have a lot of experiences, good experiences, bad experiences. From the bad experiences, you learn it and convert that bad into good experiences. Continuous development of the product. The product needs to be continuously developed and worked upon. Got it? Not got it? Services needs to be continuously focused and developed upon. To do all this, we took 5 years, people. How many years? 5 years. Gradually, we kept on working. All 7 days you worked, boss. In this 5 years, all 7 days you worked. Not one cent you have taken leave. How many weddings you have sacrificed? How many family functions you have sacrificed? How many friend trips you have sacrificed? Everything you have sacrificed. Why? To give a good brand image for this business. Got it? Not got it? Now, at this particular moment in 25-26, you have come to one situation where even though you don't work hard, your business will run on autopilot mode. What mode? Autopilot mode. What is autopilot mode? Aircraft, initially the pilot will drive. No, not this drive. He will drive. Once he is reaching to a certain height, everything is set okay apnina, he will put that plane on autopilot mode. Means what? Even if the pilot is sleeping, automatically the flight will fly. Got it? Not got it? Now, any business is a successful business. Any business would be a successful business. You can call yourself as a businessman when when your business is running on autopilot mode. Means even if you're not present in the business, your business should be functioning. Got it? Not got it? That's real business. Throughout the business life, if all 7 days you're working apnina, you're not doing business. You are into self-employment trap. புரியுதா? 7 நாள் ஒர்க் பண்றது அது பிசினஸ் கிடையாது. You're into self-employment. You have put yourself into your own employment and you're stuck. That is not business. Business means what? Initially you work hard. Initially work smart. Eventually the business should grow without you also. You should be only a person who's making the strategy. Your entire plan execution is done by whom? By your teammate. Adna business. That is business model. Got it? Not got it? Now, our business has come to that level where even if we are not present in the restaurant will run on the autopilot mode. Automatically customers will come. We don't have to take too much of efforts. Our marketing team will do marketing. They will get the customers, and our chef, service team, everybody will take care of the servicing to the customer. Owner, aram se you can focus on something else. To that level, we have developed the business. Which means what? We have sown the seed here, and now it is time to reap the fruit. Without doing anything, fruit is coming. Labak, you catch it and you eat it. Okay, not okay? Now when we have reached to that extent, to that level, who has come into picture now? Annapurna has come into picture. Annapurna says that even I have a desire to have a multi-cuisine restaurant. So Annapurna has got 2 choices. Either to start the brand from scratch, which is not easy, which is painful process. He also has to go through the same process as we are going. So he feels that why to unnecessarily set up a new brand? Why to work towards it separately? Why can't we buy an ongoing business? So Annapurna has given a proposal, has expressed its desire to buy Tasty Bites. Now, as a businessman, we have 2 choices. Either we say, get lost, we're not selling the business because this business is my baby and I will not give my baby to anybody else. You can say that also. Or if you're a person who's not attached to your business, you feel that the money if I get is super money, I'm willing to sell my business. So now, Tasty Bites, which means all of us, we didn't say no, we don't want to sell like that. We didn't say. What are we saying? We want to listen to your offer. So we are telling Annapurna, what will you pay us? Will Annapurna say, whatever you want, I'll pay. Idana padamma. Movie, blank check, I'll give whatever you want, you fill the value. No, you have to make a proper calculation. Your data, that is Annapurna, when he's giving money to Tasty Bites, it should be based on the realistic data. Some random figure you cannot ask, and some random figure Annapurna cannot pay. So Annapurna will pay that much, which is the worth of the business. And Tasty Bites will receive that much money, which is the worth of the business. Appo in the business oda worth ennaங்கிறது நம்ம calculate பண்ணனும். Okay va? So now when Annapurna is paying money to Tasty Bites, Annapurna will pay 2 money. In simple words, if I'm buying this pen, who am I? Buyer. If I'm buying this pen, I'll pay 2 money. 1, cost price of this pen. The person who took the effort to manufacture this pen, he has put some efforts in cost, no? That is, he's put some cost into manufacturing this, no? That cost I have to pay him. Apart from that, he has also put efforts for making this pen for me, no? for making this pen for me. To make this pen for me, he has put efforts, no? His time is put, his energy is put. To compensate it, I have to pay profits. To compensate that, I have to pay profits. So, one product நீங்க வாங்கும்போது மார்க்கெட்ல, when you buy any product from the market, you pay two amount. One is the cost that is incurred for manufacturing this product. And second, the person who manufactured the product, he has put his time, energy, effort for you. For that, he wants profit. For that, he wants something in return called as profit. So you pay two money. Likewise, when you buy any business, if Annapurna is buying any business, Annapurna has to pay two money. One is called as capital employed. What is called as capital employed? What is capital employed? Tasty Bites would have invested capital in the business, no? That bare minimum I want. Imagine we are Tasty Bites அப்படினா நம்ம எல்லாரும் சேர்ந்து வந்து 50 லட்சம் போட்டுருக்கோம் அப்படினா that 50 lakh is our money in the business. But this business is going to Annapurna. So the money what we put, we want it back. So that is the bare minimum money we wanted. Got it, not got it? Okay. Plus, after we transfer the business to Annapurna, whatever profits we were getting from our customers, whatever profits we are getting from this customer will go to whom now? Annapurna. So whatever the profit is earned from that customer, this profit will go to whom? Annapurna. But actually, who has done the hard work for getting these customers? To get this profit, who has done the hard work? We have done the hard work. So this money actually belongs to whom? Us. Sir, are you telling that all the profit coming from this 5,000 customers, throughout the life of the business, everything does Annapurna has to pay Tasty Bites? So now the deal is that whatever revenue you're generating from this 5,000 customers, which is result of Tasty Bites effort, that much money is required only for a stipulated period that Annapurna Tasty Bites has to decide. In other words, this 5,000 customers will continue for how many years? Next 1 year, 2 year. How many years you have to decide? You can't say, no sir, this 5,000 customers will continue for infinite period. As long as this business is there, it will continue up. Not possible. Because here if Annapurna does not give the service up, the customers will drop. If Annapurna is giving super service up, more customers will increase. So continuation of these customers will depend on effort of Annapurna also. So you cannot tell that these 5,000 customers which are coming in future, it is only because of Tasty Bites forever. You cannot say. Up to a certain level, Tasty Bites influence will be there on these customers. On these customers, Tasty Bites ka influence will be there only for a stipulated period. So we have to identify for how much period that influence is there for. So Tasty Bite will say that, look boss, the hard work that we did, no, will have influence on the business for 2 years. Apana Annapurna has to pay 2 years of profit. If it is for 3 years, 3 years profit. Got it, not got it? So now Annapurna has to pay two amount. One is the money that we have invested, that we have to pay. Second, Annapurna has to pay the future profit of the business. This future profit is coming from which customer? That customer which is created by Tasty Bites, that we wanted. So Annapurna has to pay goodwill to the Tasty Bites. What is goodwill? Goodwill is nothing but future profit. What is goodwill? Future profit. What is goodwill? Future profit that Tasty Bite is going to sacrifice. Only 2 people answered. Other people are pretending as if they're listening to me, but they're not listening. Can I point out 5 names? Or not required? Last chance. If I again see nobody answering it, gone. I'm telling you, Annapurna has to pay how many amount? 2 amount. One is towards the capital. The capital what we invested, that minimum we want. That is our cost of the business. Second, goodwill. Goodwill is nothing but future profit. That future profit Annapurna has to pay to Tasty Bites. Why should Annapurna pay that? Because that profit is resulting out of the hard work done by Tasty Bites. That future profit is result of the hard work done by Tasty Bites. So Tasty Bites says that I have sown the seed here. Inge na vandu vedha velichiruken. Idoda fruit varum pathiya, that fruit belongs to me. So that fruit will come for how many years? Maybe 1 year or 2 years. That belongs to me. Got it, not got it? So now Annapurna has to purchase profit. Purida. So Annapurna will pay 2 lakh rupees. Why? To purchase profit, not business. To buy business, I have to pay 2 money. One is capital, second is goodwill. Idu rendu na pay pandren. Both of this I am paying to buy business. To buy business, what should I pay? 2 money. Goodwill is paid for what? For buying business. Apana, to buy business, if I could give goodwill, that is sufficient. I am Annapurna. You are Tasty Bites. I am Annapurna. You are Tasty Bites. I am telling, to buy your business, I'll just pay goodwill. Okay, va? So when I ask people in the goodwill formula, what is the meaning of number of years of purchase? People say we are talking about purchase of business. For purchase of business, do we only pay goodwill? No. Apana, what are we trying to purchase here? We are trying to purchase the future profit. We are buying profit. So I'm paying 2 lakh rupees. I'm buying the right to receive the future profit. Purida. Got it, not got it? Clear or not clear? So Annapurna has to pay capital. Annapurna has to pay goodwill. Only then it will receive business. It will only then receive the business ka rights. Got it, not got it? Clear or not clear? So goodwill will come into picture when all people. In which all scenario goodwill will come into picture? Only one scenario, whenever owner is sacrificing profit. Either full profit or part of the profit. Either full profit or part of the profit. Got it, not got it? இப்போ நான் கொடுத்த example வந்து என்ன profit? Full profit is being sacrificed. Tasty Bite is handing over the entire business to Annapurna. அப்பனா Tasty Bite is sacrificing 100% profit. புரியுதா? Now, in the upcoming chapters, CPSR, admission, retirement, death, in that what happens, entire business is not sold. Entire profit is not sacrificed. A part of the business is sold. A part of the business is sacrificed. So, once you calculate the entire goodwill of the business, in that, how do you calculate the part of the goodwill is what we will learn in the next chapter. Got it, not got it? But in this chapter, what are we learning? In case if the entire business is sold, ஒருவேளை entire business sale பண்ணியாச்சு அப்படினா மொத்த goodwill of the business, total goodwill of the business, how do we calculate is what we are learning in this chapter. So this chapter is teaching us how to calculate the goodwill of the entire firm, goodwill of the firm, goodwill of the entire business. Got it, not got it? Online people, got it, not got it? Now, various methods that is suggested to calculate the goodwill are as follows. So, under average profit method, there are two formulas given for calculating goodwill. One is called as simple average profit method. Second is called as weighted average profit method. Third is super profit method. Fourth is annuity method. Fifth is capitalization of average profit. Sixth is capitalization of super profit. Okay. For foundation people, all of these formulas are applicable for you. For CA foundation people, all these formulas are applicable for you. But for 12 CBSE people, what is not there for you? Annuity method is not there. Rest, everything is there for you. Got it, not got it? Okay. Under simple average profit method, what is the formula for average profit? Sorry, what is the formula for goodwill? Average profit into number of years of purchase. What is the meaning of average profit?
Past profit.
Donkey fellow, future profit. What is average profit? Future profit. What are we trying to buy? Future profit. In our example, how many future profits we are buying? 2 years. So this is future profit of 1 year. I want for 2 years means multiplied by 2. So I'll get 2 years ka future profit. Now the question is, how do we calculate future? Future is uncertain. What am I going to earn in future? How will I know today? So people thought in different ways, but nobody could get the proper answer. So one expert said that the best way to calculate the future profit is taking the past profit as a base, because past profits are real profit. So those real profits will take as a base. With those profits, we will consider all the other qualitative factors. For example, whether this business is located on main road or on cut road. Main road na, apart from this, we have to also factor in for main road property. Main road property na or vela irukum. Cut road na or advantage irukum. Yes or no? Yes or no? So depending on your location and so many other elements, based on so many other qualitative factors, the goodwill is being determined finally. But for practical reasons, whether you're in 12th or foundation, these qualitative factors are ignored. So what are they taken into consideration? Only and only profit is taken into consideration. But in real life, you just not take profit into consideration. Apart from profit, you have to take into consideration so many other qualitative factors. One example I gave you of qualitative factors. What is it? Location. Main road no rate? Yes, no. Main road means so many people are traveling, passing by. Visibility is more on the main road. Upon a footfall will come very high for the main road property or main road business. In cut road, what happens? The visibility is little less. So footfall will be less. You understand what is footfall? For shop customers keep on coming and going. No, that is called as footfall. So footfall will be high in mall or in main road. So based on that, the premium rate of the business will be decided. Got it, not got it? But are those points considered now while doing the goodwill calculation for 12th and CA foundation? No. Got it, not got it? But in real life, you also have to consider the qualitative factors. Got it, not got it? Okay. So this future profit is calculated considering past profits. Got it, not got it? Past profits. So this past profit has to be done average of. This average of how many past years profit you have to take, that is a decision taken between Tasty Bites and Annapurna. The buyer and seller both has to sit on the table and decide how many years of past profit we should take as a base to calculate the future profit. They can tell, just take only 1 year ka profit last year. Adu vechi nama decide panikalam. Some people will be okay with that also. Some people say, no, at least you have to take 2 years ka profit or 3 years ka profit or 4 years ka profit. So this is something which both of them has to decide across the table. When they sit and negotiate, no, that time they have to make a decision. Got it, not got it, clear or not clear. Okay. So here the profit average that we are doing is called simple average. What is simple average? Nothing, boss. If the both parties are deciding that we will take last 5 years profit as base apdina, then all the 5 years ka profit you add. If loss is there, loss, subtract. Divide by that many number of years. So in the numerator, I've taken 5 years ka profit. Denominator also divide by 5. In numerator, I've taken 3 years ka profit, divide by 3. You're doing a simple average, very, very simple average. And once you get this average, what is this average? Nothing but past profit. Means what? In past, on an average, we have earned so much profit. So if same thing continues in future also how much profit will be earned? Same 160. So keeping this in mind, we calculate the future profit. So how many years of future profit we want? 2 years of future profit we want. So how much is average profit? 160 into 2. How much it is? 3,20,000. This is one of the way of calculating the goodwill under simple average profit method. Got it, not got it? Till this we discussed in the last class. So I did a revision now. Now we'll start with the next topic. What is your doubt, Ma? Okay, good question. What he's telling is that, sir, once the business is being sold by Tasty Bites to Annapurna, can Annapurna change the brand name of Tasty Bites? My question to all of you, my question goes to all of you. Okay, question புரிஞ்சுதா? அவன் என்ன கேக்குறானா அந்த Tasty Bites ஓட brand name மாத்திடலாமான்னு கேக்குறான் அவன். மாத்த முடியும். But is there any logic in changing the brand name? You tell me one thing. You paid Goodwill, no? Why did you pay Goodwill? Why did you pay Goodwill? For this brand image. What is brand image? Tasty Bites are getting, அதாவது in Tasty Bites business, in that restaurant customers are coming because of the name of Tasty Bites. Forget Tasty Bites. Let me talk about Domino's. Tell me one thing. All of you eat pizza? How many of you eat pizza? Raise your hands. All of you eat. Okay. How many of you go to Domino's and specifically eat pizza? Domino's. Others, where do you go and eat? Any other places there? Where? Pizza Hut. I went one day. Gee, I didn't even like it. Domino's, at least they'll give that cheese burst. Super. Apart from Chicago, Chicago pizza, I've not heard. Okay, anyways, wherever you go, let's say Pizza Hut, Domino's you take, whatever it is. Does it really matter who's the owner of Domino's or Pizza Hut? Are you going to Domino's or Pizza Hut? Oh, you are the owner, then I'll come. Do you go for that? No. So why do people go to Domino's and Pizza Hut? Because of that brand name. That brand name, how it got created? Because of the good quality of product and services. Got it, not got it? So now, the entire effort of Annapurna in buying the Tasty Bites business is what? Inga vara customer, laddu mari enakku varanum. Tasty Bites is getting 5,000 customers. To build this 5,000 customers, he has worked hard for 5 years. Now Annapurna wants same 5,000 customers like laddu in the first day itself. From the first day onwards, they want big customers. For that only, Annapurna is paying Goodwill, no boss. So suddenly, if you change the name itself, Tasty Bites apdina, Tasty Bites to some other brand. For example, I'm coming customer. I'm about to enter the place. I know that place is Tasty Bites. But when I see the board, Tasty Bites is not there. Some other name is there. Will I enter inside? No. I'll give one real example, which happened with me. All of you know in that NSR Road, Sababa Colony, Belgium waffle is there. How many of you had Belgium waffle from NSR Sababa Colony? Correct. Now, do we have Belgium waffle there? It is removed. You see, interior, equipments, everything is same. And a brand name is changed. It's not Belgium waffle anymore. It is something else. I don't know what the name. I don't still remember that brand name. Because that brand has not created an image in my mind. So I don't remember. But Belgium waffles, by heart, I know. I went inside. Interior, chair, equipment, everything same. I didn't even feel that brand got changed. I went inside. I ordered Belgium waffle. Then later while eating, taste was not that Belgium. If you see Belgium waffle ka that batter, no, it'll have light sweetness into it. So when you eat a bite, no, at the end, you still feel that sweetness in that particular waffle. So when I took this bite, at the end, I felt very bland. I didn't feel the taste only. When coating is applied, when you eat that cream and all, you feel good. But at the end is there, no. End partல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ரொம்ப bland taste வந்தது எனக்கு. என்னடா இது ஒரு மாதிரியா இருக்கு, பெல்ஜியம் வாஃபல் மாதிரி இல்ல அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு I told him, என்ன this is not looking like Belgium waffle only. He said, who said this Belgium waffle? I was like shocked. Hey, Belgium waffle only. No, name changed. Brand changed. Second time I didn't go there only. Some other brand, I don't even know the brand name also. So now, I wanted to eat waffle next time. I didn't go there. Why? Because brand name changed. I went to Belgium waffle. Why? Because for the quality that it created. So I want to eat only Belgium waffle. If you tell me to eat any other waffle, I will not eat it. So like that, customers of Tasty Bites are coming because of Tasty Bites brand name and its quality. So Annapurna is buying Tasty Bites. Why therima? And the Tasty Bites brand name nala customers varuvanga. And if the same team is retained, same quality of food is given, services given aptina, the customers also will be retained. That is the whole effort of Annapurna buying Tasty Bites. Now you are telling, if brand name itself is changed aptina, then who will come inside? Nobody will come inside. Correct. Annapurna is in the market for 20 years and they have brand name for what? South Indian dish. Whereas Tasty Bite is for multi-cuisine restaurant. Got it, not got it. So now, in Annapurna, all of you know that they also serve naan, roti, North Indian dish they serve. But is it up to that level? No. So now the intention of Annapurna buying Tasty Bites or opening Cove is what? Because they wanted to give a total different multi-cuisine experience altogether for these people. Annapurna ambience is different. Tasty Bites ambience is very different. So Annapurna wanted to give altogether a different ambience and different flavor altogether. That's the whole exercise of buying Tasty Bites. Got it, not got it. நீ சொல்ற மாதிரி பண்ண முட்டாளா? He's telling that, sir, don't give Goodwil, sir. Buy their business, negotiate, buy their business, keep the same stuff. Why will you give the stuff? சரி விட்டுரு, நான் உங்ககிட்ட வரேன். Your Tasty Bites. I am Annapurna. நீ சொன்னதை நான் உனக்கு சொல்றேன். நீ கொடுப்பியா business? What fair? Goodwill cut off சொல்லிட்டேன். Goodwill you said cut off. அப்ப what if invested capital that only I'll give you. You give me your setup fully. You give me your staff fully. Will you give? क्या पैसे लगा? Capital का पैसे मिला ना तेको. You have done business for 5 years only to get your capital back. स्टाफ का पैसा क्या देगा? क्या है स्टाफ का पैसा? सैलरी मैं पे कर रहा हूं. Annapurna, I am paying salary staff. What will I pay you? Why should I pay you staff salary? So I'm asking same question to you. Now tell me, sell your business. He's selling. Just give capital. Don't give Goodwill and all. Take their staff. Take their business. Change Tasty Bite ka brand name into something else. By doing this exercise, any logic is there? Any purpose is there? Nothing is there. Now, tell me one thing. You know what are the nature of customer? There are 3 types of customer. அதெல்லாம் கிடையாது. ஹார்ட்கோர் சாஃப்ட்வேர்ல ஒன்றும் கிடையாது. rat, cat, dog. These are not customers. These are nature of customers. What am I telling? Nature. Don't go and tell, sir is telling customers are rat, cat and dog. I am telling nature of customer. What is the nature of rat? If you feed a rat, imagine you feed a rat. Next time will it come to you? Not necessary. Today it will come to you. Tomorrow it will go to something else. It will change the area and go. Purida. So rat is that type of a customer who will not stick to one particular brand or owner. They're not loyal to brand. They're not loyal to owner. They're not loyal to that particular product or services. They are like free bird. They want to go wherever they want to go. They want to go wherever they want to go. Nobody can control them. Nobody can control them. Got it? Not got it. This is the nature of rat. Next is what? Cat. Next is what? Cat. What is cat nature? Cat, you feed milk. Cat, you feed milk. It will come to you. It will come to you. Regularly, it will come to your house. Imagine I, poured the milk for cat. Next day, cat will come. Even if I don't pour it, at home my mother or father is pouring, still that cat will drink that milk and go. Purida. Forget us. If some third party, somebody else, my neighbor, is coming and pouring that milk on the plate, still the cat will drink it. Which means cat is not loyal to the owner. Cat is loyal to the product. Cat has got loyalty to the product. It wants milk. Who is pouring milk does not matter. So rat has got no loyalty. Cat has got loyalty, but loyalty is only towards the food and the service, that is product. It has no loyalty towards the owner. But dog is not like that. If the members of the family members pour the milk, you've seen in movie, in one of the movie they say that this particular gentleman has taken care he's taken a lot of care for the dog, walking in the feeding in everything. That owner passed away. So the dog will not eat for next 4-5 days. It'll be sitting idle, very sad. Have you seen in movies? Dog has got emotion attached towards the owner. If owner dies aptina, dog also will feel sad for several days. It will not eat for several days. Apana, dog is loyal to the food, product, services, or dog is loyal to the owner. It is loyal to the owner. Got it, not got it. So I'm talking about the nature of the customer. So there are some customers who has got no loyalty towards business. Today in my business, they will come. Tomorrow they'll go to some other shop. Day after tomorrow, some other shop. They'll keep on hopping here and there. There's no loyalty. Cat is loyal to the product. This customer is loyal to the owner. For example, I'll give you one example. Now, I used to go to one, salon for cutting hair. So this one particular gentleman who used to cut my hair very nicely. I loved him. So I was there for about 2-3 years. From that particular salon, he shifted to some other place, some other brand he went to. And I'm a very particular person that same person should cut my hair. Nobody else should cut. So where he went, I followed him also. So who am I? Which category? I'm not dog. Loyalty is towards the owner. Owner or service provider. Got it, not got it. Clear or not clear? Yes. I'm just trying to tell the nature of customers. My question to all of you. All of you are investor. Who are you? Investor. Who is investor? Investing money in the company. Imagine all of you want to invest money in my business, Kalpavriksh Academy. You want to invest in my business, Aptina. How do you want my customers to be? Do you want my customers to be rat nature, cat nature, or dog nature? Who are you? Investor. What is your motive to make money from the business? Purida, you are investing money in my academy. My academy is serving some customers. No, that customers, what nature it should have according to you? Rat, cat, or dog? How many of you say dog? Raise your hands. How many of you say dog? Raise your hands. Properly raise your hands. So you want the customers to be dog. Okay, keep your hands down. Those who say cat nature. No, sir, we want cat nature. May I know why did you say cat nature? Okay, nobody wants rat. Anybody wants rat? Rat, nobody wants. Okay, online people. How many of you want? All of you are investor, okay? என்னோட business இருக்க கஸ்டமர் வந்து எப்படியா இருக்குன்னு ஆசைப்படுறீங்க? They should be of cat nature or dog nature. Dog nature, raise your hands. Dog nature, raise your hands. Means loyal. Neha, Anirudh, Dev Kanchana, Kesav, Punila, Krishna, Moke, Thimani, Pranav, Anushruti, Shrinjeevi, all they say is dog nature, sir. Okay, keep your hands down. Those who say that, no, sir, we want customers to be of cat nature. Raise your hands. Cat nature. Subish, cat nature he wants. Okay. Prakriti, cat nature. Tanu, Neha, Ishan. Okay, wonderful. Hari Smith also says cat nature. Okay. Those who said cat nature, may I know what is your intention behind suggesting cat nature of customer? One at a time. Very good. Owners. Very good. Correct. Very good. Super. Those who said dog nature. I want the customer to be dog nature. You guys have to learn a lot about investor mindset. You have to learn a lot about investor mindset. நீங்க இன்னும் நிறைய மைண்ட்ல grow பண்ணணும். You need to be more practical. Think. आराम से think. If all my students, my customers are having dog nature அப்படின்னா, Kalpavriksh Academy today my brand. Imagine I'm selling this to investor. I'm giving to investors. I go and create some other brand அப்படின்னா, all my customers will follow me. அப்போ இந்த இன்வெஸ்டருக்கு என்ன கிடைச்சது? ஹல்வா. He got halwa, nothing. புரியுதா? So if all the customers go behind owner அப்படின்னா, then there is no brand value of the business. There's only brand value of the owner. புரியுதா? In business, investor wants to invest in that company where the brand value is there for the business, not of the owner. Owner brand value முக்கியம் இல்ல. யாரோட brand value வேணும்? business or brand value. Got it, not got it. On the other hand, all those who said cat nature, you are 100% correct. Because cat nature is what? They are attached to Kalpavriksh Academy ka service. They are not attached to Pratik sir. They are attached to Kalpavriksh Academy ka service. So if Pratik sir is not the owner, if somebody else is the owner, aptina, still students will come to this academy. Still investor can make profit out of you. So therefore, all the investor want their customers to be of what nature? Cat nature. They should not run behind the owner. Got it, not got it. So they want to retain maximum customers in the business. Clear or not clear? This mindset is very important. This mindset is very important. So here we are talking about the brand valuation of the business, not of the personal owner. Got it, not got it. So we are trying to assess the brand image of the business. That is very crucial. That is very important. Any doubts? Now are you clear why the Tasty Bites ka brand image is important? Now Tasty Bites ka brand image is created. Now after buying the business, if you want to change the brand image appadina, there's no point in buying the business. Instead என்ன பண்ணிருக்கலாம், புதுசா ஒரு brand போட்டு நீ புதுசா ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிருக்கலாம். இந்த business நீ வாங்கணும்னு அவசியமே கிடையாது. Got the point? Got the point? Can I continue? Okay. No energy. Can I continue? I said nobody saying anything. I said just by myself, okay. Can I continue? Fantastic. Illustration 3 worked out in the last class. Am I right? Now let's go to illustration 8. So 3 to 8 directly? Yes. So not 8, sorry, 7. 7. This question is based on the second method, weighted average profit method. But I will do this question under simple average method first. Then I'll give a comparison of that with the weighted average to make you understand what is the difference between the both. Okay, not okay. Okay, not okay.
Yes, sir.
When I turn the chair, what does it mean? I'm about to run off from the class. If I run from the class, who will take class for you? Who will take? I'll bring some other teacher because you're cat nature, no? You're attached not to the Pratik sir, you're attached to some other teacher with this academics teacher. I can put some other teacher here. Oh, investors point of view, that students point of view, Pratik sir da. அப்போ நீ என்ன பண்ணணும், நான் கிளாஸ் எடுக்க நீ என்ன பண்ணணும்? What is supposed to do? Respond, answer. See, without discussing all of this, I can still complete this chapter. But maja will not come. I'm trying to put knowledge into your mind. So tomorrow, when somebody is talking something about Goodwil, somewhere at house, somewhere this Goodwil topic will come. That time, at least you should have something to share. People casually ask, hey, you're coming from commerce background, no? Tell what is Goodwil. Why this, why that, apni na? You should have something, to talk there. To initiate the conversation or to further the conversation, knowledge has to be there. How many of you have a difficulty in building a conversation? When two people are talking, you find difficulty in building the conversation. You feel that, oh, these two people are talking. So if I go and talk, I'll talk nonsense. I cannot contribute to that particular conversation, and you refrain from talking. Like that, how many of you are there? Honestly, raise your hands. You cannot build conversations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Be honest, no. 6, 7. Correct? Harismita, 8. This is the true. நிறைய பேர் இருக்காங்க ஆனா கை தூக்க மாட்டேன்றாங்க பயத்துல. But I know to initiate a conversation is not an easy thing. To initiate conversation, first of all, what is required? Guts, self-confidence and knowledge. None of the three if you have அப்படின்னா ஒன்னால ஒரு conversation எடுத்து வைக்கவே முடியாது. So you will see two knowledgeable people talking about politics, cricket, blah 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 blah. What will you do? Yeah, correct. Oh, I didn't think about this. Very true. அப்போ நீ என்ன பண்ற அந்த இடத்துல? ஒன்னா ஒதுங்கி போயிடுவேன் சைலண்டா. Oh, this is not my type of people. I will go. Your type of people, where will you go and search? இருக்காங்க நிறைய பேர். But when you cannot talk, when the opposite person cannot talk, both of you say silent அப்படின்னா what are you going to achieve in that? லைஃப்ல grow பண்ண அப்படின்னா பேசணும். You want to grow in life, you have to talk. You have to put forth your point of view. What is right, what is wrong? Right na right, தவறுனா தவறு. You have to take a stand. புரியுதா? For that you have to talk. But to talk, what is required? First, guts, self-confidence. How both of this will come? Only through knowledge. So it is very important that we develop our knowledge in almost everything. Today politics is going on. You understand what is politics, what is happening. So when two people are talking about politics, there you should be able to give your opinion. Right, wrong. Like that, so many matters of discussions will come. When somebody is talking, you're just observing silently, you're not contributing to that conversation, means those two people will think that you're dumb. Are we dumb? By birth, we are dumb. Okay. Because nothing we have learned. But you spent 15 years in learning, no boss. என்ன பண்ணீங்க? பிறக்கும் போது ஒண்ணுமே தெரியாது. Amul baby, you were just born, nothing you know. Okay. 15 years you spent, no, in this world. What did you learn then? What did you learn then, boss? Nothing you've learned. Then what is the point? What is the point? So tomorrow, when you become a leader, you need to put things in perspective. நீங்க தோனி பாத்தீங்கன்னா நிறைய இடத்துல பேசுறான், தெளிவா பேசுறான். I'm talking about the topics not related to cricket. He's talking. He's able to put things in perspective. You take Annamalai. How much clear he's talking on so many things. Tell me how many things he's talking very clearly and to the point. Knowledge is very important. You talk 10 times. When you talk, no, in the 9 times you'll make mistakes. Learn from that mistake. 10th time you hit the nail, you hit the bullseye. Talk. But and the 9th time நம்ம fail ஆயிடும் நினைச்சிட்டு நம்ம பேசவே மாட்டோம். We don't start only because you're fearing that I'll fail in life. What you're not understanding is failure is the stepping stone for success. அதுக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டு voluntary don't go and fail. A failure which comes naturally, you put all the efforts, all the hard work. If the failure is coming natural அப்படின்னா, understand where you have gone wrong, why you have gone wrong, learn from it, grow from it, and keep walking forward. And the failure, embrace in your life. But some people, what they will do, somebody said failure will teach something in life. I want to fail. So you will not do any hard work, no smart work, nothing. Why? I want to fail. Why do you want to fail? Because failure is a stepping stone to success. Like that, if you get failure also, that is useless failure. Because that failure will not teach you anything. Which failure will teach you something? That one which you have done the hard work. You thought whatever I did is correct. You ended up doing that and you failed. Then you understand why you went wrong. Analyze, introspect. Then you learn, oh, here I made the mistake. Now I got it. Now I will learn and grow. This failure I'm talking about. If you think that, sir, whatever I do, first time, it should be 100% success aptina, maybe in some spheres you'll be able to do it. Some spheres you'll not be able to do it. For example, when I started my, public speaking journey, my first public speaking experience was disaster. I'm telling you, it started from school. I'll tell you one small story. I was in 12th standard. Vanda. Again, somebody will come and tell, Vanda, sir is talking too much. Okay, we'll come back. Story some other day I'll tell. Vanda. Now, main point is what, whatever it is, learn conceptually. Okay, don't by heart. Okay, now let's stick on the topic. Now, coming back. Some other day, who wants to listen to my story, you come and tell me. For you people alone, I'll tell. Got it, not got it. Others, only study. Nothing else. Now, profits of the firm in the last 5 years were. Profits of the firm in the last 5 years is given. 31st March 22. Which financial year? 21, 22. Then 22, 23. Then 23, 24. Then 24, 25. Then 25, 26. Super. Profit is given. Any problem here? Any difficulty here? No. Okay. Calculate the value of the goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase. So how many years of future profit are we buying? 3 years future profit you're buying. How do we calculate this future profit? Based on the past profit. So past profit ka average we want. Simple or weighted? Here they're telling to do weighted average of the profit. And what is the weight given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, wow. Now this question first I would like to solve under simple average profit method. Then I will do under weighted average profit method. And then I'll tell you what is the difference between both. What is the difference between both? When should we use simple and when should we use weighted? I'll give you a clarity. Is that okay to all of you? Oh. Tell me people, what is the formula for goodwill under simple average profit method? Average profit into number of years of purchase. Sir, in exam also can we write income? NOYOP income? நீ எழுதி பாரு. Write and see, no. What will happen? Nothing will happen. Marks will get deducted. How much will I get? 0. You write and come. Number of years of purchase is given in question. Yes. How much it is? 3. Always it will be given. Always it will be given. But average profit, we don't know. We have to calculate. So put a box and write working note number 1. Sir, should we write working note number 1? Yes, because I need to know how did you calculate this? Upon this amount what you calculated, where have you worked out that? So that working note I wanted. Got it, not got it. This is called as cross referencing. What is it called as? Cross referencing. So working note number 1. What is it? Calculation of average profit. What is the formula for average profit? Total profit divided by number of years. Average profit equal to total profit divided by number of years. Total profit is nothing but sum total of last 5 years profit. They're telling that calculate the value of the goodwill on the basis of 3 years of purchase of weighted average profit after assigning so much of weight for last 5 years profit. So last 5 years ka profit you take as an average. So my question to all of you, all the 5 years are profit, or in this any loss is there? How do you say no loss is there?
No.
Loss அப்படின்னா நெகட்டிவ்ல இருக்கும், or it will be in the bracket. No negative amount, no bracket amount. Upon everything is profit. So 40,000 plus 48,000 plus 60,000 plus 50,000 plus 36,000 total, and tell me how much it is. 2,34,000 divided by 5. How much it is? 1,46,000. Yes, 46,800. 46,800. What does this mean? This means on an average in the past we have earned 46,800, 46,800, 46,800, 46,800, 46,800. In the past we have earned. If the same situation is likely to get repeated in future what is my profit going to be? Same 46,800. So what is my future profit now? 46,800. Like that, how many years of future profit Annapurna has to buy now? 3 years. So 46,800 into 3, how much it is? 1,40,400. If Annapurna just pays 140,400, will you sell your business? Apart from this, what do you want? Capital employed in the business you wanted. So both amounts, if you receive only, you will sell your business to Annapurna. Got it, not got it. So this 140,400 goodwill you are paying to purchase what? Purchase what? Profits. Don't say business. Don't say tasty bites. This amount specifically is paid for buying profits. This profit buy pandradhaan kaasu, not for the business. For business, apart from this, what are they supposed to pay more? Capital employed. So purchase consideration is the total money paid to buy the business. In that, goodwill is paid only to buy the profits. Got it, not got it? Clear or not clear? Okay. The same question, simple average method. Same question, simple average method. Can I do the presentation in different way? Now again, I'm going to solve the question using simple average only. But approach will be different. Is that okay? Just observe. Don't do anything. Just observe now. Goodwill is equal to weighted average profit multiplied by number of years of purchase. Okay, wow. This also I'm going to solve under simple only. But the format and presentation will be like weighted average. Ana weighted average kadiyadu. It is simple only. So just observe, don't do anything. Just observe, don't do anything. First column, year column. Second column, profit column. Can you please tell me the year? First is 21, 22. Okay. 21, 22. Then 22, 23. Then 23, 24. Then 24, 25. Then 25, 26. Can you please tell me what is the corresponding profit for each year? 40,000, 48,000, 60,000, 50,000, 36,000. Okay. Now observe, don't do anything. These two columns which I put, the information of this has come from where? From question I copy pasted. I didn't create it, boss. I copy pasted from the question. Up in the working panna solomode, first two columns, if I ask you to create, do you have any problem in it? I've just copy pasted from the question. Format is slightly different, but I copy pasted this from the question. Got it, not got it? So first column will always be year column. Second column will be profit column. The third column is going to be weight column. The weight that I'm assigning for every year is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So, but in question, they're telling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. Donkey fellow, what did I say? I'm going to solve this still under simple average profit method only, but format is like weighted. Now I'm still going to solve it under simple average profit method only. Got it, not got it? Okay. Profit into weight if I do, what will I get? What is your common sense is? Profit into weight if I do, what will I get? Weighted profit. Weighted profit. So what is my weighted profit? Please multiply and tell me. Anything multiplied with one same amount will come. How much it is? 40,000, 48,000, 60,000, 50,000, 36,000. Very good. Can you please tell me the total of the weighted profit? Weighted profit column on total level. 2 lakh 34,000 total weighted profit. Now, what do we want? We want average weighted profit. What do we want? Average weighted profit. Because under weighted average method, which formula are we applying for weighted average? We want weighted average. Average profit, but on weightage basis. On weightage basis. That is called as weighted average profit. But this is total weighted profit. Total weighted profit. This is average. So, weighted average profit ka formula is what? Total weighted profit, which is this, divided by total of the weight. Weight or the total. How much is the total of the weight? If I total 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, how much it is? In total, 5. So total weighted profit is 2,34,000 divided by total weight. How much it is? 5. How much you got? 46,800. Oh my God. We got the same answer here also. 46,800. 46,800. But here the format was very different. You said total profit divided by number of years. 234 divided by 5. Here also same 234 divided by 5, but formula is changed. Now, what is the meaning of this? What did we do here, please? Can somebody tell me? When I put weight 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, what does it mean? All years are considered equally. So one answer what I got is, sir, all the years I'm considering equal. In all the years, what are you considering equal? I'm going to put, so na point punjida. Weight 1, 1, 1 na, what he's telling is, we're considering all the year same. Ella varsha ore madri da. Inna or madri irukanga. What is same in all the 5 years? Profit is same. No, profit is different. Profit is not same. Weightage. Adhik da yen kekaren. Why is weightage same as am I asking? Where more revenue generated? Every year's profit is different, no? Okay, point taken. Anybody else? You said my expectation that this will continue in the future. Correct? Ida one of the wordings. Okay. So one student says that, sir, my expectation is that this will continue in future. What will continue in future? Same profits will continue in future. Okay. Cherry. Where? What do you think by the word weightage? Weightage is 1, 1, 1 potrikkinga. Equal weightage. 1, 1, 1 everything means what? Equal. Profit sharing ratio equal between 3 partners means what? 1:1:1. So 1:1:1 is what? Equal. So you've given equal weightage for all the year's profit. What does it mean? Okay, point taken. Others. Think about it. No, common sense. ஒருத்த ஃபார்முலா கொடுத்துருக்கான்னு சொல்லிட்டு பை ஹார்ட் பண்ணக்கூடாது. அவன் ஏன் கொடுத்துருக்கான்? Why did he give that formula? So if somebody is just given the formula, don't by heart. Understand why is he given. Get the soul of it. Put your thought into it. Effort. Okay, point taken. Sir, effort, what has been put in all the 5 years, same efforts will continue in the future is what she's telling. Point taken. Okay, let me take from here. People, what are we trying to calculate? What are we trying to calculate? What are we trying to calculate? Online people video. Okay. What is goodwill? Future profit. To calculate future profit, what are we taking as a base? Past profit. So we believe that whatever efforts you've put in this year, you said efforts? Efforts. whatever efforts is put in this year, whatever were the business conditions, efforts, business conditions, circumstances, scenarios, இது எல்லாமே வந்து ஒரு பிசினஸ்க்கு வந்து இங்க என்னவா இருந்ததோ இதுதான் ஃபியூச்சர்ல கண்டினியூ பண்ணும். இன் அதர் வேர்ட்ஸ், whatever efforts you took in these 5 years, whatever were the business conditions, situations, circumstances in these 5 years, exactly same is going to continue in future. Got it? Not got it? Appo no year is superior to another year. One year is not superior to another year. Means every year ka profit, every year ka past profit is going to equally contribute to the future profit. Got it? Not got it? Clear or not clear? Tell me. Whatever efforts I put in last 5 years, no, I put equal efforts. The business conditions were equal business condition. Nothing significant up and down. Appo ye profit maariche. In business, you put same effort every year. Profits will not be same. For example, last year also I worked 365 days. In current year also I'm working 365 days. But last year's ka profit will be different. Current year ka profit is different. Because to earn profit, customer is required. உன் எஃபர்ட் வந்து சேம் அமௌண்ட் ஆஃப் கஸ்டமர் கொடுக்கும் எல்லா வருஷமும் சொல்ல முடியாது. பிகாஸ் இட்ஸ் கஸ்டமர் சாய்ஸ் டு டிசைட் வெதர் தே ஷுட் கம் டு யூ ஆர் நாட். Got it? Not got it? But my efforts can be same. So I am telling that whatever the efforts that I put in the last 5 years, whatever the business conditions, circumstances, situations in the last 5 years, same is going to happen in future. Appadina, then you do simple average profit method. Then you do simple average profit method. Whether you do like this or whether you do like this, both are same only. Both are same only. Got it? Not got it? Both gave the same answer. Yes or no? We have just tried to do the same question in a different manner, different presentation, mathematically. Rest all same only. Got it? Not got it? Clear or not clear? But some businesses say that, sir, how it is possible that the effort that I put in this year and this year will be same? 21, 22, I put less effort. But in 23, 24, I put more effort, more profit. So I am a businessman who has put different efforts in all the 5 years. I am a businessman whose business conditions, circumstances, situations are different in different year. அப்ப நீ எப்படி சொல்ல முடியும்? How can you say all that will be same in the future also? I will not agree for this weightage. So second expert came with weighted average profit method. He said that if your efforts, business conditions, circumstances, scenarios are different for different year, then don't do simple average. In your case, what are we supposed to do? Weighted average. That expert said that, now you tell me, out of this 5 years, which year ka profit, which year ka efforts, which year ka business condition, circumstances, scenario is more likely to get repeated in future. In the varshathoda effort, in the varshathoda business condition, scenarios, circumstances, profit, future la adhigama impact pannum. Which of these years will impact me in future more? That year you give high weightage. If any year's profit is giving you less efforts, less likely to get repeated in future, Abdina, give less weightage to it. Got it? Not got it? So here, I feel that I'm changing the weight here. Okay, I'm changing the weight here. Or let me do one thing. I'll put the weight besides it. I'm telling this year is there. No, in this year, whatever efforts I put, this effort I likely to put in future. In the effort, the future la poda pora adhigama. What happened here? The same kind of effort I'm going to put in the next year. So I'm giving highest weightage to this year. Any objection here? Any objection? No. Then the expert is asking, okay, next, after this, which is that next year which is going to contribute more to the future years? So I feel that, sir, 25, 26 irukilliya, idhula na pota effort, the condition of this year, the business condition of this year, the circumstances and scenarios of this year is more likely to get affected in future, more likely to get repeated in future. So I feel this is the next best year. This is the next best year. After that, this. After that, this. After that, this. So which year ka profit is more likely to get repeated in future? More likely to get repeated in future. That year ka profit, we will allocate high weightage. We will allocate high weightage. Which year ka profit is got low chances of repetition in future? In the varshathoda profit, in the varshathoda effort, business condition, scenarios are less likely to get repeated in future. Abdina, I will give less weightage. Got it? Not got it? Clear or not clear? Now, Based on this, can you tell me revised weighted profit? Multiply and tell me. 1 second, people. 1 second. I'll just erase all of this. 1 second, ma. This and this you have to multiply and tell me. Got it now? So now new weightage I've given. 1 second, ma. Let me complete this. I'll come back to it out. So what is the weighted profit under the new scenario? 40,000, then 96,000, then 3 lakhs. Okay. 1,50,000 and 36 into 4. 1,44,000. 44,000. Okay. Total how much? What is the total of this? 7,30,000. Okay. What do I want? Weighted average profit. What is the formula for weighted average profit? Total weighted profit divided by total of weight. So what is the total weighted profit? 7,30,000 is total weighted profit. Divide by total of the weight. Weight or a total level of 1 plus 2 plus 5 plus 3 plus 4. Total is 15. Divide by 15. How much am I getting? 48,666. Are we getting this, all of you? 666. Apana, compared to this, the future profit is increased or not? Increased or not? Because you gave high weightage to the highest profit and low weightage to the lowest profit. Your overall average profit has become 48,666. Got it? Not got it? Because you feel that whatever the business conditions, circumstances, scenarios, efforts of profit is this for this year. In the வருஷத்தோட profit என்னவா இருக்கோ இதுதான் future அதிகமா வர அப்படினா அப்ப average அதிகமா இருக்கும்ல. If 60 is being given highest weightage அப்படினா then overall average also will be little bit higher than the previous one, no? Because in previous method you gave equal weightage to all the years. Now here the weightage what you gave is little bit more. The weightage what you get is little bit more. So overall average profit also will be higher. Got it? Not got it? Sir. This weightage you gave in jumbled order 1, 2, 5, 3, 4. But in school, teacher said it should be same order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So here the weight is different. Is it allowed? 100% yes. Weight can be decided by Annapurna and Tasty Bites. Annapurna and Tasty Bites are the people who will decide what should be the weight. So it can be in any order. It can be in any order. What your school teacher said is also right. You should take weight in ascending or descending order when you know. When the weight is not given in the question. When the weight is not given in question, you can take in the ascending and descending order. I'll tell you that also how to be taken. I'll tell you how the weightage has to be given. Here I'm just explaining the concept to all of you. Here what am I doing? Explaining the concept to all of you. So now, what a simple average profit means. When you feel that the average profit of 5 years what you're taking, the same efforts, business conditions, scenarios, profit is going to happen in future apdina, then give equal weightage to all the years profit. That's the simple average. So in simple average also giving weightage, but the weightage is 1 there. Got it? Not got it? You did not know this point. In the point because when we solve the simple average profit method using this old method, in this technique, there is no concept of weight. But the hidden concept behind the simple average profit method is what? Weight is there, but weight is 1. That's why I did the question first using simple average without weightage. Same question again I did using simple average, but now with the weight. But weight, how much I gave? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So simple average profit method, weighted average profit method is not different. Both are same only. In simple method, you give weight is 1. But in weighted average profit method, you give different weights for different years of profit. Got it? Not got it? Clear or not clear? Sir. Here, instead of giving weightage 5, can I give weightage 10? You can give, no problem. In real life, weightage is decided by buyer and seller. They will decide the weightage. Got it? Not got it? Clear or not clear? Yes. 1 second, ma. 1 second. Now, no problem. You drop a message and go. No problem. Guys, next time if anybody wants to leave the class in between and go, if I'm taking class, don't stop and disturb me. Just put a message in the chat box or WhatsApp. Not in chat box. Put the message directly in the WhatsApp group and you can sign off. No problem. Because if you have to go somewhere apdina, it's a thing that you have to do. I cannot stop, no. But don't disturb the ongoing class. Instead, put a message in the WhatsApp group and you can push off. Okay? This is for everybody. Not just for Krishna. I'm talking about everybody. Now, When you get a question in exam, they will tell you to calculate the goodwill using average profit method. Okay, wow. This is for everybody, listen to very carefully. The main danger point. The question will tell you to calculate the goodwill using average profit method. Now, first I'm talking to 12 CBC people. So foundation people close their ears. Not literally means understood. No, okay. First I'm talking about 12 CBC people. 12 CBC people, 12 CBC people, 12 CBC people. The question will tell you to calculate the goodwill using average profit method. They will not specify whether simple or weighted. Nothing they will specify. In this, which one will you choose? Your syllabus says that always go for simple average profit method when the question is silent. Got it, not got it. So whenever the question is silent about the method of average profit, always go with simple average profit method. Am I loud and clear? But when will you go for weighted average profit method? When question specifies only weighted average profit method. Got it, not got it. Okay. Question is specifying 12 CBC people, only I'm talking to you, foundation people close. 12 CBC people, question is telling you to calculate goodwill using weighted average profit method. Okay, wow. Here two possibility. Weights are given in question. If weights are given in question, apdina, take those weights as it is. For example, in this question, if you observe, they told, take weight 1 for 21-22 year ka profit. Assign weight 2 for this year. Assign 3 for this year. Assign 4 for this year. And assign 5 as weightage for this year. So what they said, you will follow. Got it, not got it. Got it, not got it. Even ISC also same thing. Sometimes the question will tell you to calculate using weighted average profit method, but weight will not be given. Weight will not be given. Got it, not got it. Now what will you do? You have to assume weights. You have to assume the weight. Nee weight allocate padno. Purida. You have to allocate the weight. Got it, not got it. Now listen to very carefully. How do we allocate? Please tell me, Annapurna is buying Tasty Bites. Today is what date? 24th May 2026. This is falling. This date, today's date is falling in which financial year? Which financial year we are into right now? 26-27 deal is happening. 26-27's previous year's profit is which year? Which year is previous year? This is called as immediately previous year. Immediate previous year. How much it is? 25-26. Then previous to that? 24-25. Previous to that? 23-24. Got it, not got it. Imagine only, the question is telling you to take the average of 3 years profit. 3 varsha profit average edukka solran. Appo 3 varsha profit an edupa. The question is telling you to take average for 3 years profit, means how will I take 3 only? Now the question is, should I put weightage 1, 2, 3, or should I put the weightage 3, 2, 1? Which is more logical? 3, 2, 1 is more logical. On what basis are you telling that? Very good. So he's telling that, sir, 26-27 on the previous, immediately preceding previous year is 25-26. So whatever the efforts we put in this year, whatever is the business conditions, scenarios and circumstances of that year is more likely to get repeated in future. So latest year should be given highest weightage. Oldest year should be given least weightage. Got it, not got it. So here 25-26 is the latest year. And 23-24 is oldest year. Earliest year. Oldest year should be given less weightage. Earliest year should be given high weightage. Got it, not got it. Clear or not clear? Sir, in exam if they tell us to calculate the average for 5 years profit apdina, then what to do? Then continue. 22, 23, 21, 22. Now tell me people, what is your weightage going to be? Latest year, highest weightage. So how many years are there? 5 years. Appo latest year highest weightage. Then previous year, 1 less weightage. Then previous to previous year, 1 less weightage. Then less, then less. So if the question is telling you to, the question specifies you to calculate the average profit using weighted average profit method. And if weight is not given in the question, it is not given in question means you have to assume the weight. You'll assume the weight in what order? Is this ascending or descending order? What order it is? It is descending order. Got it, not got it. People, if you're getting confused with ascending, descending, forget all that. Latest year, big weightage. Oldest year, less weightage. Got it, not got it. Clear or not clear? Clear or not clear? Simple as solopona. Tell me one thing, people. In 21-22, what happened? In 21-22, what happened? COVID happened. So now I'm calculating future profit of 26-27, 27-28. In the ரெண்டு வருஷத்துல, in these 2 years, which scenario is more likely to get repeated? Will COVID scenario come here? COVIDல நீ earn பண்ண profit இங்க வருமா? வராது. So that year's profit will give less weightage. So do you understand the significance of giving weightage? Which year ka profit will more likely to get affected in future, more likely to pass on in future? That year ka profit will generally give high weightage. Got it, not got it? Clear or not clear? This is when the question is silent. Sir, if the question says give 3 weightage to this, 5 weightage to this, 4 to this, 1 to this, 2 to this, then what question says follow that. Apana, whenever question is giving any weight, that you follow. Question can give you weight any manner, in any manner. எப்படி வேணா கொடுக்கலாம். Ascending order they can give, descending order they can give, jumbled order they can give, any order. So what weight they are giving, that weight you put it. If question says this weight அப்படினா, that weight only you have to put it. Don't assume. I'm telling you to assume weight when question is silent. Got it, not got it? Latest year high weightage, oldest year low weightage. So are you able to understand the significance of the weightage? Are you able to understand the significance of the weightage? Open your mouth and respond. Okay. Clear now? Now can I do this question? Can I come back and do this question? This question is being told that calculate the value of the goodwill on the basis of 3 years purchase of weighted average profit after assigning weight 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 respectively to the year 21-22, 22-23, 23-24, 24-25, 25-26. So how do I do it? First column, year column. Second column, profit column. Third column, weight column. Fourth column, weighted business profit or weighted profit column. Any problem? Can we do it? Let's start. A fresh page. What is first column? Yes, boss. Yes, boss.
It is necessary that the highest profit should get the highest rate.
Highest profit should get highest rate, not necessary. See, weightage is not based on the profit. Weightage will be given to that year which scenario is more likely to get repeated. So for example, guys, hold on, don't do anything. He's asking, very good question. He's asking, so should I give weightage to that year whose profit is the highest? Not necessary. Come back here. Listen. Sure. Don't do anything. Observe. Migdad, I feel in 25-26, whatever the business scenarios were there, circumstances were there, efforts were there, this is what is likely to get repeated in future. Means I will give 5 weightage here. So weightage is not for the profit. The weightage is for the effort that you put in the business. The effort is for the business conditions, scenarios, and circumstances which will contribute to the profit. For that scenarios, circumstances, condition, and effort, the weightage has been allocated. Got it, not got it? So weightage is not for the profit. Weightage is not for the profit. Okay. Before I continue, I forgot to say 12th CBSE என்ன பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லிட்டார். Foundation சொல்லவே இல்லையே. Nobody asked also. I went for the next question. All the foundation people, okay, you carry on, sir. Foundation people, who will tell? Ask no. Sir, foundation people, what to do? Ask. I'll tell now itself. 12 CBSE people, what will you do? Close your ears and do the sum. This sum you do from your end. 12 CBSE people, do it. Foundation people, listen to me. Listen to me. Here, listen to me. Question will ask you. Only foundation people listen. 12 CBSE people, you can carry on with the question. In the question, you start doing the solution. Foundation people, listen to me. Only foundation people. Foundation people, ICA will tell you to calculate the goodwill using average profit method. Average profit method. If they tell you to calculate the goodwill using simple average, then do simple. Weighted, na weighted. In that, no problem. Problem comes when, when ICA says that calculate goodwill using average profit method, but they don't specify simple or weighted. Now, what are you supposed to do? Like 12 CBSE people, you will not say simple blindly. ICA is telling that look at the profit. Look at the profit. Sir, what are we supposed to look in the profit? Look into the trend of the profit. If the trend of the profit is நீ ஃபவுண்டேஷனா இல்ல பண்ணுங்க முடிச்சிட்டியா அப்ப கேட்காத. You'll get confused. Guys, 12 CBSE people, don't listen. You'll get confused. I'm only talking to the CA foundation people. CA foundation people. 12 people, do not listen to this. Do not listen to this. You'll get confused. Year 1, year 2, year 3. I'm taking 3 years profit. Okay, wow. Look at the trend of the profit. Year 1 is what? Oldest year. 21, 22, 22, 23, 23, 24. Got it, not got it. Look at the profit, how it is. 10,000, 15,000, 20,000. The trend is upward trend or downward trend? How is the trend? Trend of profit. It is upward trend. Every year profit is gradually increasing. First year 10,000 profit, second year 15,000 profit, third year 20,000 profit. So it is a upward trend. Yes or no? Or if the profit is like this, 15,000, 10,000, 5,000. So profit is into downward trend. Whenever you see a trend in the profit, whenever you see trend in the profit, you will apply weighted average profit method. Okay, not okay. This is the assumption given by ICA. In reality, this will not happen. Let me tell you one thing very clearly. I got one inquiry from a student, not one student, multiple students from different academy who have passed foundation but came here inquiring for CA intermediate, or those who did not clear foundation. So they came for inquiry call. And I have a habit. Whenever anybody calls me for inquiry, I'll ask them questions. This is my habit. I ask them the same question because they've studied foundation, no? So I ask the question. So how do you decide in real life? Should I follow simple average or weighted average? They said, sir, if trend is there, weighted average, sir. No trend up in a simple average. My question was, how do you decide the average profit in the real life? Not in the CA examination. But what answer they gave? They gave me examination answer. They learned correctly only that whenever there's a trend in profit apdina, you will apply. What apply? Weighted average. But in real life, do we see this? No. My question was, in real life, what do we do? They said, we don't know, sir. This is what we know. But whatever you've learned only for the exam purpose. In real life, if the situation comes up, your brain does not know how to perform. Yes or no? You become handicapped there. நீ லட்சக்கணக்கில் செலவு பண்ணல எஜுகேஷன்ல உனக்கு இன்னைக்கு என்ன உதவுச்சது? When you're not able to apply the knowledge in the real life, then the knowledge what you've got, the time what you spent, the money what you spent, what is it of any use? No. In real life, the weightage is decided by buyer and seller both put together. In real life, weightage is decided by buyer and seller put together. In the varshathoda condition, scenario is more likely to get repeated in future, that will be given highest weightage. Trend anga varadu. Now, why I'm saying trend here is because ICA is told, you take the Goodwil chapter in your CA foundation book, in that they have specifically mentioned that if you find a trend in the profit, if the profit ka pattern is either upward trend or downward trend, then follow weighted average profit method. Like that, ICA is asking you to assume that is textbook knowledge. That is only restricted to your exam purpose, not for real life. In real life, the weightage can be decided in any order, in any manner between buyer and seller. Got it, not got it. But for exam purpose, what will you see? If the profit has got a trend, upward trend or downward trend, you will follow weighted average profit method. Sir, the question is saying average profit method. Simple, weighted, nothing specified. And profit is not in trend. 1 year profit 15,000, another year profit 20,000, one more year profit 5,000. Trend marudhu. No trend. Then what will you follow? Simple average profit method. Got it, not got it. Who will follow all this? What I'm telling? Only CA foundation people. So when will you apply simple average profit method? When there is no trend. When there is a trend, either upward trend or downward trend, in that case, you'll apply weighted average profit method. This you should apply when the question is silent. If question says simple average apdina, then there don't apply the trend. Don't apply trend when the question specifies simple weighted. There don't apply the trend. Trend should be seen when question is silent. Am I loud and clear? Okay. So my question to 12 CBSE people. Question is silent. They're not specifying simple or weighted average. 12 CBSE people, what will you do? Simple average. Up a weighted average, when will you apply? When the question specifies. Very good. Question says weighted average profit method. Weight is not given. Then what will you do? Assign weight, assume weight and assign weight. In what order? Latest year, highest profit. Oldest year, lowest profit. Clear or not clear? Okay. Foundation people. Question says simple average. Question says average profit method. Simple or weighted does not say. Question is silent. What will you see? Analyze the trend. Increasing trend or decreasing trend? What? Simple average. No, weighted average. Oh, weighted average. No trend. Simple average. Okay. Foundation people. Year 1, 20,000. Year 2, 25,000. Year 3, 30,000. Trend is there or not there? There. Question is saying simple average profit method. Now what will you do? No. Pratik sir said trend is there up in a weighted average profit method. Simple. Simple only. There don't see the trend. Got it, not got it. Clear or not clear? Everybody is clear. What are you supposed to do? Super. Now let's go back to our question. இங்க பா அங்க வரைஞ்சு வச்சல போச்சா here it is. Which year pa? 21, 22, 22, 23, 23, 24, 24, 25, 25, 26. Next. Profit how much? Okay. Okay. Very good. Thank you so much. Wait. 1 for 21, 22. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in same order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do I need? Weighted profit. Means what? Profit into weight is equal to weighted profit. How much it is? 40,000. 96,000. Okay. 1 lakh? 80,000. Total please. 6 lakh? 6 lakh 96,000. Total please. 1 5. Okay. What do I want now? Weighted average profit. So total weighted profit divided by total of the weight. What is total weighted profit? 6 lakh 96,000 divided by 15. What is it? 46 400. What is this 46 400? Future profit of 1 year. Future profit of 1 year. What is this average profit? Weighted average profit. Future profit. Like that. How many years ka future profit are we buying? 3 years. So goodwill is equal to weighted average profit into number of years of purchase. 46 400. How many years of profit are we buying? 3 years profit we are buying. How much it is? 1,39,200. Tell me people, this is very difficult. Tell very difficult this is. Other those who are silent can assume it is difficult. Easy. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Any problem? No problem? Okay. Now problem will come. Because the two questions that we have solved, in the two questions that we have solved, they gave proper profit. But now the profits that they're going to give you is going to be adulterated profit. You know adulteration? Kalapadam, mixing. Now what are you supposed to do? You have to remove adulteration. You're supposed to remove adulteration. So we're going to learn the process of removal of adulteration. Got it, not got it? Tell me. No, okay, I'm going. Bye, I'll go. What for me? You don't answer, I'll go. I'll go. Okay. My simple question to all of you. Since you said you guys are partners of Tasty Bites, you must be knowing that what your business is earning. So what are the different sources of income for Tasty Bites? Can you please tell me? Sir, we are running restaurant business. So by running restaurant business, we'll make revenue by selling food. Sales. Yes or no? Let's say, how much is the sale? 40 lakh. 40 lakh is the sales. Okay, not okay? Of course, from that you have so many other expenditures that you'll minus and get the profit. Okay. Apart from this, what other is the source of income? Food is one source of income. Source of income. Social media. Social media. எனக்கு புரியல. Is it true? What is that concept? For academy also I can use that. What is that concept? Explain. Oh, YouTube. If I put a lot of videos in that, YouTube monetization talking about. Monetization. Okay. Very good. So this Tasty Bite restaurant, let's say any one of the student is very good in putting the YouTube videos. So he's uploading videos on daily basis, YouTube. and he's able to generate 1 lakh rupees from YouTube monetization. Okay, wow, okay, where? Come to my level now. So surplus money is there. We'll put in fixed deposit. Interest will get. Yes or no? Interest income. Oh, oh. Interest income 1 lakh. Okay. Sir, in the interest, they'll keep tips box. Tips. Donation box. Please understand that is not for you. That is not income of the organization. The donation box, what you have, it is for donation purpose. That is not your income. Donation and tips is not the income of the business. Got it, not got it? Clear or not clear? However, tips, restaurant tip, which goes to restaurant, you will have some exceptions in GST. But I'm not teaching GST law. I'm teaching accounts. Accounts per tip is not our income. For like that, let's assume, okay, wow. Law will say something else that you decide when you do CA intermediate GST. Now, sir, surplus money is there. Surplus money is there. I put in mutual funds, share market. We're getting dividend. We are getting dividend of 5 lakh rupees. Okay, wow. Any problem here? Any problem here? Okay. My question to all of you. Annapurna wants to buy Tasty Bites. So is Annapurna getting attracted to this, or is Annapurna attracted to this? My simple question to all of you. Annapurna is an eye on you. Tasty Bites Aptina. On what is he eyeing? Is he eyeing on the core business profit or the non-core business profit? Core business profit. What is the meaning of core business profit? The profit that is generated from the main objective of the business is called as core business profit. For example, Kalpavriksha Academy, what is the core business? Teaching. Whatever fees I get from coaching, that is my main business. Second, I sell books also. At the CA Foundation intern final level, sell books also. Selling book is also core business. Though it is ancillary, that is not main. I didn't start this academy that one day I'll sell book. But eventually, the business model is in such a way that I am also able to sell books. So that is called as ancillary activity. That is also core business only, but it is ancillary. Okay, not okay. Okay. What is non-core business activity? What is non-core business activity? I started this academy to earn interest income. Did I start this academy that one fine day I will do coaching business, earn money out of it? I'll put the money in the share market, mutual funds, I'll get dividend. What is that? Was that the motivation to start the academy? No. What is core business activity? The main objective, the main purpose for which you started the business. So Kalpavriksha Academy ka main motive is what? Coaching. So coaching is my core business income, core business profit, core business activity. Got it, not got it? Okay. For restaurant business, what is their core business? Providing food, sale of foods. Food ni sale pandale, adha one main business. I am a person who is buying and selling laptop. What is my core business? Selling laptop is my core business. I am a jewelry manufacturer. What is my core business? Manufacturing and selling jewelry is the core business. Purida. Got it, not got it? Clear or not clear? Along with gold, I am selling silver also. Along with gold, gold is the main objective. But sidely, little bit I do silver ka business also. So will you classify silver as other income? No, that is also core business only, but ancillary activity. Got it, not got it? But what is other income? Other income means what? Something which is coming casually in my business, which I am not working towards it. So in my business, I have surplus money. That money I put in fixed deposit casually without any effort. I'm getting income. That is called as other income. What is it called as? Other income. Clear or not clear? So there are a couple of terminology you have to understand. When you study second volume with me, second and third volume, which is company accounts, company law says that your income is bifurcated into two categories. One is revenue from operation. Second is other income. Got it, not got it? What is revenue from operation? The income that you earn from the core business activity. For me, in my business, what it is? Service income of coaching business. That is my revenue from operation. If I'm selling laptop aptina, sales of laptop is my core business activity. I'm selling book aptina, sale of book is my core business activity. From the core business activity, the money that you make is called as RFO, revenue from operation. Got it, not got it? But what is other income? For generating money from revenue from operation, you worked hard. You put a lot of your hard work, intellect to earn this. But for other income, hard work and intellect is not required. It just happens in the due course. It happens just in the due course. So what is the example of other income? Interest income, dividend income, I had old furniture asset. I sold it. I got profit. So gain on sale of asset. Purinjida? Idala other income. Got it, not got it. Clear or not clear? Okay. This is one terminology you'll come across in the Company Act, company law, company accounting. Now also you'll come across one more term called as revenue from operation, other income. In this other income, they'll bifurcate the other income into two categories. One is operating income. So revenue from operation also is operating income and non-operating income. Non-operating income. Purinjida? So revenue from operation, what is my operating income? Coaching fees. Selling of laptop is my regular business. So that if I'm a manufacturer of gold, apnina, manufacturing and selling gold, selling book, all this is coming under my revenue from operation. Okay, not okay. Operating income, what will come under other operating income? For example, I do some business activity in my business where I get commission. Did I start this activity that one fine day I'll get commission from doing some business? No. But it so happened that in the due process, this business additionally got triggered. So if I sell, let's suppose, lectures or let's say classes of any other academy, any other faculty, I'm getting a commission. Did I start the academy that one fine day I'll get money from this commission income? Was that my primary activity? No. But in the due course of the business, sometimes it happens that we have to do such things. About this income, though it is other income, but we call this as operating income. Got it, not got it? Because this is also a part of my operations. Clear or not clear? Clear or not clear? Mutual fund ka dividend income. I did not start this academy that one fine day I'll get dividend income. But investing in mutual funds, investing in share market, now it has become a normal thing for me. So now, even though I don't want it, I have to do it. Papana, so any money that you get from dividend, this thing, that thing, interest, etc., is also kind of your operating income. Got it, not got it? So what is non-operating income? What is non-operating income? Which is not a part of my operations. For example, gain on sale of asset. Am I into the business of selling furniture and getting gain out of it? Furniture, asset, with the panam sambari business. The asset what I have, I'll keep on selling them and I'll get gain out of that. Is that my business? No. Got it, not got it? Out of all this type of income, Annapurna is attracted to which income of yours? Ninga Tasty Bites. Who are you? Tasty Bites. Out of so many types of income, to which income Annapurna is attracted? Which operating income? Revenue from operation. This is the main thing Annapurna is focusing on. Yeah? Annapurna get cash liya. Can he not put money on the mutual funds and get dividend? He can get it. For that, should he buy Tasty Bites ka business? Not required. Annapurna has got a lot of money. It can put money in fixed deposit and earn interest. Is Annapurna coming and taking over your business because of the interest income? Commission income? No. Annapurna is not bothered about commission income, interest income, dividend income. No. They can make that money. Why are they coming to Tasty Bites? Because of Tasty Bites profit. How did Tasty Bites make profit? Because Tasty Bites product, super. Chef team, super. Service team, super. Business model, super. We are having a greed. Annapurna is having a greed on that business model, on your chef team, on the product that you're delivering, on the service what you're delivering. That I wanted. So that team will generate what income? Chef is contributing in the interest income. Huh? Is chef helping you to earn the commission income? No. Chef is helping you to earn what? Main income, sales. Got it, not got it? So Annapurna is interested in which of these income? Sale income. Got it, not got it? They are not interested in your YouTube income, nor interest income, nor dividend income, nor gain on sale of asset. Nothing they are interested. What are they interested with? Only sales. Rather, to be more specified, they are interested in my core business profit. CBP. They are interested in my core business profit. The profit that we generated from the core business. Tasty Bites core business is what? Running restaurant. Running restaurant is my core business. From that profit, what I get, that profit only Annapurna is interested into. Got it, not got it? Sir, why are you talking only about profit, sir? Are donkey fellow? This entire Goodwil concept is based on what? Future profit. No. What is Goodwil? Nothing but future profit. Which means the Goodwil that you're calculating is nothing but calculation of future profit. To calculate future profit, what do you need? Past profit. Which past profit? Core business profit or non-core business profit? Core business profit. But this profit, what you're seeing here, 40,000. What profit is this? This is net profit coming from where? Profit and loss account. Profit and loss account. Yes or no? So when you prepare trading and P&L account, when you prepare trading and P&L account in 11th standard, you recorded sale here, closing stock here, opening stock here, purchase here, that expenses here. What did you get? What did you get here? Gross profit. This gross profit got transferred to the P&L. With gross profit, you added other income, interest income, dividend income, commission income. You got total profit. From that, you subtracted indirect expenses. What did you get? Net profit you got. So this net profit only is this profit. So the profit, what you can see on the screen, no, 40,000, 48,000, 60,000. What profit it is? Net profit. Accounting says that I want all profit in my accounts. Accounting rule says what? It does not bifurcate between operating income, non-operating income, operating profit, non-operating profit. He says whatever income you're earning in the business, you record everything in trading and P&L account. So net profit is nothing but core business profit plus non-core business profit. Do you agree with me? P&L வர profit வந்து எல்லா income கலந்து இருக்குது. The profit that is coming into P&L account is a sum total of all income. Yes or no? Whether it is coming from the core activity or non-core activity. It is adulterated profit. Out of this net profit, Annapurna is interested only into which profit? Core business profit. So, in net profit, what is there? Core business profit is there and non-core business profit is there. But Annapurna is interested into what profit? Only core business profit. So, how do I calculate my core business profit? Take non-core to other side. Mathematics says that when a plus item goes to other side of equal, it becomes minus. So from net profit, if I minus non-core business profit, what will I get? Core business profit. This is called as adjustment of profit. What is it called as? Adjustment of profit. So why are we doing adjustment of profit? To get the true core business profit of the organization. In the profit மேல தான் goodwill கிடைக்கும். Annapurna wants to pay goodwill only on the core business profit, not on all the profits. Clear or not clear? Online people. Clear or not clear? So can we do one question with adjustments? Yes? Okay. So if we come back to page number 2.6, take page number 2.6. They've given a format. Profit and loss of the past years means what? Net profit of past years before adjustment. With that, you're supposed to do all this adjustment. My question goes to all CBC people and state board people who have not done 11th and 12th with me last year. That is foundation people and the intermediate people. Those who have not done foundation with me last year, 12th CBC last year. Plus my question goes to those people at present who are doing 12th. This topic is completed in school. I'm asking to those people. How many of you by hearted what to add and what to minus? Be very honest. There is a list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many of you by hearted what to add and what to minus? Ponila, okay. If I tell you there is no need to by heart any of this, I'll teach logic. And the logic மட்டும் புரிஞ்சுக்கோங்க. Then you decide what to add and minus. Can I say mental pressure will be less? Pressure comes when you try to memorize too much. Your brain can handle only this much, but you're overloading. That's when stress and pressure comes. Got it? Not got it? In life, do everything seamlessly. Whatever you do in life, no, it should come in flow automatically. It should come in flow automatically. There's no stress in the brain. Brain is getting stressed when when you overload the information. This also you by heart, that also you by heart. Brain says I cannot remember everything because my memory capacity is less. Computer, laptop, memory storage capacity is less aptina. You can expand it. Can you expand your memory capacity? Can you put one more brain here additionally? Can you fix it? Tell me. Not possible. This is the only information available. This is the only asset available for you. So you have to Utilize, organize it in proper manner. Do not buy heart. It's my promise to you today. I will not make you buy heart even one item. இது எல்லாத்துக்கும் லாஜிக் கொடுப்பேன். You exam, you'll apply the same logic, you'll get the answer comfortably, conveniently. It's my promise today. By the end of this chapter, I'll make you pro in all of these concepts. Am I loud and clear? Now, let's go to, okay, now for you, question 3 is done last class. Sara, Tara, Zara over. 4 homework. What's our homework? Dangerous items are there here. Homework, believe me. Illustration 4 homework. Wait. 2 homework, sorry. 2 homework. 2 homework. 2 we didn't do bus. In 2, there is abnormal item adjustment. I didn't do it. 2 is homework for you. 3 we did. 4 is homework for you. Got it, not got it? Clear or not clear? Or 4 you want me to do it? So 4 I'll do it. We'll do it, no problem. 2 you take it as homework. 4 will do it. Ilana, 5 anyways have to do. But 5 is very complicated. I'll not take it now. 6 complicated. Wait. 7th completed. 8. That's all. Okay. Chala, no problem. 4th we'll do. So what is homework for you? 2 is homework. 2 is homework. 3 we did. 4 we are doing now. 4 we are doing now. In that I'm going to put 3 concepts into your head. How many concepts? 3 adjustment of profit ka concept in your head. It says that Ramesh purchased Bharat's business. Who is Annapurna here and who is Tasty Bites? Ramesh is Annapurna and Bharat is Tasty Bites. Are we clear? Who is buyer and who is seller? Ramesh buyer, Bharat is seller. Who should pay goodwill to whom? Buyer will pay goodwill to the person who is sacrificing the profit. So if Bharat is going to sell the business apnina, is going to sacrifice the profit. Apana, the person who is gaining the profit has to pay goodwill to the sacrificing owner. Got it, not got it? Okay. Ramesh purchased Bharat's business with effect from 1st April 26. It was agreed that the firm's goodwill will be valued, means calculated, at 2 years purchase. So how many years of future profit are we buying? 2 years. On what basis the profit is calculated? Average normal business profit of the last 3 years. So they're doing average profit, but simple weighted, nothing they have mentioned. Simple weighted, nothing they have mentioned. 12 CBC people, what will you say? Simple. Foundation people, what will you say? Look into the trend of the profit. Look into the trend of the profit. Got it, not got it? Trend should be seen before adjustment, after adjustment. After adjustment. After adjustment. Got it, not got it? But since I'm solving from the 12th CBC book, here the answer is done as per 12th CBC ka rule. Got it, not got it? But when you do from foundation book, they will do all the questions as per the trend. Got it, not got it? Have you kept this in your mind, foundation people? Okay. Profit for the last 3 years is given. Any problem here? My question to all of you, this profit is coming, no? What is this profit coming? I mean, where it is coming from? What profit is this? So this is net profit. This is net profit coming from the profit and loss account, trading and profit and loss account. Of which year? 24 and 31st March 24 up to which financial year? 23, 24, 24, 25, 25, 26 ka financial year. Got it, not got it? So for these 3 years, trading and P&L account will be available. From that, net profit is taken. Got it, not got it? In accounts, when you calculate net profit, you take all the income into consideration, all the expense into consideration. The profit also, what you get is all the profit. Core, non-core, everything mix. But in goodwill, we want what profit? Core business profit. So in that net profit, if any adulteration is there, non-core is there, up to what are you supposed to do? Remove it, remove it. Remove doesn't mean minus. Remove doesn't mean minus. You think that remove na minus up to I'll prove it in some time. Got it, not got it? Okay. The question says, the net profit of 23-24 is 1 lakh rupees. In that net profit, it includes an abnormal gain of 10,000. Sir, can you give example of abnormal gain? A gain which does not happen normally in the business. Abnormal apnina. Example for this is profit or gain on sale of asset. either tangible asset, intangible asset, investment, something you have sold it, on that you've got one gain. Okay, not okay, clear or not clear? Now, guys, this is P&L account. Do you agree? In P&L account, there's a gross profit. There's a gross profit. How much is the gross profit? 90,000 rupees. How much is gross profit? 90,000. This gross profit is coming from where? Trading account. In trading account, what do you record? Only sales. Sales from restaurant business. From that, what do you minus? Expenditure of the restaurant business. Hence, you get gross profit of the restaurant business. Yes or no? Yes. So can I say this is core business profit? Correct or not? Open your mouth and respond. This business has got a gain on sale of asset. So whenever you sell any asset, tangible, intangible investment, அதுல gain வரும் இல்லையா, அந்த gain எங்க ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணுவீங்க? 11th we have discussed this. You take it to P&L account. So by gain on sale of asset, we call this as abnormal gain is 10,000 rupees, because accounting rule says that in a business, whatever income you earn, whatever gain happens, everything should be recorded. Who is saying this? Accounting rules and regulations. By that virtue, can you please tell me what is the net profit? How is net profit? 1 lakh rupees is net profit, which is having core business profit and non-core business profit both. So why do you say this 10,000 is non-core business profit? Did I start this restaurant that one fine day I'll sell the asset and get the money? Was that the motive of starting this Tasty Bites business? No. This happened in the course of business. I had some asset. I sold it. Luckily, I got a gain. Got it, not got it? Clear or not clear? Is Annapurna interested in this gain? Or Annapurna is interested in this gain? 90,000 na, purida? Na. This information is missing in question. They have not given this information. So what have they given? Net profit 1 lakh is given. They're telling that in this 1 lakh, 10,000 is included. And what is that 10,000? Abnormal gain. Got it, not got it? Tell me. So in this, 10,000 is already added. Yes or no? How did you get this 1 lakh rupees? 90,000 plus 10,000. You got 1 lakh rupees, which means this 10,000 is already added inside this. One item which is already added. Remove what I'm supposed to do. Minus 10,000. So abnormal gain, whenever you get in question, if I tell you to minus, any difficulty? If I ask you the logic, what will you say? Sir, abnormal gain is already included in this 1 lakh. On this 10,000 rupees abnormal gain, Annapurna will not give goodwill. So Annapurna is asking to remove goodwill. So 10,000 is already added into it. To remove what I'm supposed to do? Minus. Now touch your heart and tell me, do you need to sit and by heart this? Minus 10,000 abnormal gain, should you by heart is my question to you. Idu by heart pannama. This is logic. What am I giving you? Logic. To know the logic, can you decide on the spot what to add and what to minus? No stress to by heart. No stress to by heart. This is a true way of learning. This is a real way of learning. I'm giving a logic to you. In the 1 lakh kulla 10,000 included irukku. In this 1 lakh rupees 10,000 is included. To remove, what am I supposed to do? Common sense says what? Minus 10,000. Any big difficulty? So what is the core business profit? 90,000. Core business profit is also called as normal business profit. What is it called as? Normal business profit. Any big difficulty here? Tell me. Got it, not got it? First, can I explain the adjustment? Then can I do the formatting properly and tell you? First, let me focus on adjustment. At the end, I'll tell you how to present it. Okay, wow. Now listen, next. We took profit and loss account of 2024-25. In that, net profit is how much, people? 1,10,000. After charging abnormal loss of 20,000 rupees. Now listen to me very carefully. This is P&L account of Tasty Bites. You know what is the profit that we earn from the business? Gross profit. How much we earned? 1,30,000 rupees. By doing restaurant business, how much profit I made? 130. Sir, how are you saying this, sir? I'm intelligent. So I'm saying, you guys are not intelligent, so you don't know this now. I'll prove it sometime. From the restaurant business, all of us made how much gross profit? 1,30,000 rupees. Okay. That year, what happened is, we got few customers We got few customers who carried evil babies. What babies? Evil babies. 1 year, 2 year, 1 year, 2 year, not evil. That 4, 5 year wall varunla. 4 years, 5 years. My son is there now. என்ன பண்ணுவான்னா ரெஸ்டாரண்ட் போயிட்டு சும்மா உட்கார மாட்டான். Dumping, jumping, oil keep on jumping on that, what do you call it, furniture. From one table to another table, this, that, like that. Multiple monkeys we got that year. And we broke couple of furnitures. Few furnitures got broken. Purida. So we have to replace that. So that furniture got cracked. We went to sell in the market. We sold it, but we sold at a loss. Furniture asset sold for a loss. Okay, not okay. அப்போ இது வந்து நார்மல் லாஸா அப்நார்மல் லாஸா? Abnormal loss. Okay. Okay. One more example I'll give you for abnormal loss. Listen to me very carefully. I'm going to make you understand what is the meaning of abnormal loss. There are two type of loss. One is normal loss. Second is abnormal loss. Nalla gavanchikelu. We all are into business of buying and selling petrol. We are all into business of buying and selling petrol. Foundation people, did I give this example petrol ka? No. So I gave it to inter people. Okay. We are into business of buying and selling petrol. We have petrol bunk here. This Bharat petrol bunk is there, no? Whose petrol bunk it is? Our petrol bunk. Whose petrol bunk? We are the partners. Okay, wow. Like that you believe. Yes or no? Okay. In that petrol bunk, from somewhere the petrol should come, no? From where it is coming? Since it is Bharat petrol bunk, the petrol will come from the Bharat company, BPCL. From BPCL, the petrol has to come. So BPCL ka oil refinery is there where? Petrol refinery basically is there where? Delhi. From Delhi, it has to come all the way to Coimbatore. How will it come? So like that, we lift in hand and come, sir. We lift like this in hand and come. Tell no. Transportation. So on highways, you will see so many trucks going. Big trucks, huge trucks. In that, petrol will be filled. Yes or no? Tell me, there's one peculiar nature about petrol. What is it? Flammable. Everybody knows. Peculiar nature. Very good. It will evaporate. Yes or no? Okay. From Delhi, when the truck was filled and left, you know what is the petrol totally? In that it was 10,000 liters. How many liters? 10,000 liters. Okay, wow. Whether you do business or I do business or Ambani does business, petrol will evaporate. How much petrol will evaporate? Minus petrol evaporation, 1%. 1%. How much? 10,000 ka 1%. How much it is? 100 liters will evaporate. So how much petrol in hand will you get? 9,900. Whether you do business, I do business, Ambani does business, Adani does business, petrol will evaporate. Will petrol say, no, you are Ambani and Adani, so I will not evaporate myself? Will petrol say like that? No, it's the nature of the petrol. It will evaporate. Okay, not okay. Okay. The cost of buying 1 liter is 100. My cost of buying is 100. How much money did I pay in total? How much money did I pay in total? Donkey fellow, 10,000 to 100 is 1 lakh. 10,000 to 100 is 1 lakh. In which standard do they teach all this? In school? Which standard? Tell me honestly. Third standard. So let's say 5th standard also. 5th standard question I'm asking. People don't know multiplication. You will go to accounts examination without calculator and crack it. That's why I'm struggling for all of you. Begging board exam. Give calculator for these donkey people. Because they don't know what is basic addition, subtraction, multiplication. No wonder people got 60, 70, 80 in the board exam now. Now, 10,000 into 100 is how much? 10 lakh. How much is the loss amount? How much is the loss amount? 10,000 is loss amount. So what is the cost of the remaining petrol? 9,90,000. Now, cost per petrol, if it is 100, is this right? Is this right? Think and answer. Why it is not right? I'm doing business for whom? We are doing business for whom? Customer. I've taken the risky business. What risky here? What risk is here? The product what I've chosen is a product which evaporates. If it is evaporating அப்படின்னா அதோட காசு எவன் கொடுப்பான்? Who should bear this 10,000 loss? Business should bear or customer should bear? Customer should bear, because I'm doing this risky business for whom? Customer. So in any business, if any normal loss happens, that loss should be borne by whom? Customer. So now, what is my total cost? 10 lakh is my total cost. Okay, wow. So where this 10 lakh cost was getting absorbed by 10,000 liter, now same 10 lakh cost I need to absorb from 9,900 liter. புரிஞ்சுதா? I'm telling in Tamil, listen to very carefully. இந்த 10 லட்ச ரூபா நான் இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ண பாத்தியா, இது நான் வந்து எப்படி ரெக்கவர் பண்ணலான்னு இருந்தேன். சரி, இந்த 10,000 லிட்டர் பெட்ரோல் வித்துட்டு எனக்கு 100 ரூபா காஸ்ட் வரும் இல்லையா, அது வச்சுட்டு நான் என்னோட காஸ்ட் ரெக்கவர் பண்ணலான்னு இருந்தேன். I'm telling in English now. This 10 lakh rupees is my cost of purchase of petrol. How did I plan to recover this 10 lakh rupees? I said, I will sell this 10,000 liters of petrol and recover this cost from the customer. So from the customer, how much total cost I should recover? 990 or 10 lakh? Touch your heart and tell me. From customer, how much money you should recover? 9,90,000 or 10 lakh? 10 lakh. But now you only have 9,900 liters. Appa, now what is your cost per liter? What will now your cost per liter become? What will cost per liter become? 10 lakh divided by 9,900. Please do in your calculator. 101.01. 101.01. So from 100 rupees, the cost is gone up by 1.01. Yes or no? Up a petrol, the cost one is increased. Got it, not got it. This incremental cost, from whom should I recover? Customer. Why? Because this extra 10,000 ka loss on overall basis or 1.01 ka loss per liter I incurred in this business only because of my customers. If I'm not doing this business for my customers, I don't have to incur this loss. So it is not my loss. In the normal loss has not happened because of my mistake or ignorance. This is natural for this business. So accounting rule says that whenever in business you incur any normal losses, what losses? Normal losses. It is a part of the business loss. That loss you have to recover from the customer. Got it, not got it? Clear or not clear? Okay. Imagine when this truck was coming all the way from Delhi to Coimbatore. In between, theft happened. Somebody opened the tap and took 900 liters of petrol. So in effect, how much petrol I got at the end? Only 9,000 liters. My question to all of you, this 900 liters ka petrol, what you lost, is your loss or not? Is it your loss or not? Yes. How much it is? 101.01. Because now revised cost is what? 101. After normal loss, your cost will now become revised cost as 101. Now, this much is your abnormal loss. Yes or no? This abnormal loss, will you recover from the customer or not? Should you recover from the customer or not? No. Why? Because this loss happened because of our ignorance. It is not the inherent nature of the business. Theft of petrol, is it normal for any business? Whether Ambani does business, Adani does business, you or I do the business, will this theft happen naturally every time? No. But this happened to us, Aptina. We were not careful in our business. We were not careful in our business. Because of our carelessness, the loss happened. So what is abnormal loss? Abnormal loss is a loss incurred by a business because of its negligence, because of its carelessness. That abnormal loss you cannot put on the head of the customer. And the abnormal loss you will bear from the business profit. So who will bear that loss? Who will bear that loss? Business will bear the loss. Got it, not got it? Whereas the normal loss is there, no, we will recover from the customer. So now when I sell the petrol, 101.01 is the cost price. With this, I'll add profit of 10 rupees and this becomes my selling price. So in this 101.01, what is my original cost, purchase cost? 100. Then 1.01 got added because of the normal loss. So normal loss always gets added to your cost price and you recover it from your customer through selling price. But abnormal loss ka cost is there. No, You cannot add it here because that loss happened because of your mistake and negligence. You cannot shift that burden of loss on the head of the customer. Are you able to understand my feeling? Are you able to understand my feeling? Imagine I'm taking class, okay? I'm taking class here. By mistakenly, this phone, Academy phone, I put it down, break it. Its cost is 50,000. If I tell this cost of 50,000 phone is there, no. All of you, 50 of you, pay me 1,000 rupees aptina, kudupingla. Will you give or not give? What will you say? What will you say? Why should we give? This phone got broke because of whose negligence? My negligence. Can I recover that money from you? No. Yes or no? So abnormal loss is happened because of the foolishness of the businessman. Yes or no? Negligence and carelessness of the businessman. Yes or no? Oh. Now come back to our example. In this 1,10,000 rupees, abnormal loss is already charged. I told you the actual profit that we made from the restaurant business is 130. In the restaurant business, inside the kitchen, chef is there, no. He by mistakenly spilled the entire rack. There's one rack full of food. There's one full rack inside the kitchen full of food. Mayonnaise is there. What else is there inside? Big expensive items were there. Broccolis were there. What else? Big raw materials in big glass jar. And the glass jar, I put it inside the kitchen. The chef is there, no. Chef, in hurry bari, he pushed the rack. And whatever were stacked inside the rack, everything fell down and everything got broken. So the total loss is 20,000 rupees. That loss, do you call as normal loss or abnormal loss? Abnormal loss, because this is done as per the negligence of the business. Whether owner does or staff does. Negligence is done by the business, no. Now, that abnormal loss, should we account in the business or not? Yes. Accounting says that loss padnale ni record padne. So loss is recorded. Where do we record loss? Debit side or credit side? Debit all expense and losses. So how much abnormal losses did we record? 20,000 rupees. So from this profit of 130, if I minus loss of 20, I will get a net profit of 1,10,000 rupees. Any problem here? 1,10,000 rupees. Any problem here? Online people, any problem here? So if I say in this 1,10,000 rupees, abnormal loss is already charged. After charging this loss of 20,000 only, this 110 came. From the original core business profit, 20,000 the losses deducted, and then we got this normal profit. Got it, not got it. This is ledger format. Can we do in statement format? Or let's say in equation format, I'll do. How did I get net profit? How did I get net profit? So from gross profit, I subtracted abnormal loss. Yes or no? Yes or no? Or before that? From gross profit, we subtracted abnormal loss and then we got net profit. Yes or no? How much it is? 1,30,000 minus 20,000. I'm getting 1,10,000. Yes or no? This is on credit side, na plus. Debit side means minus. This 130 was on credit side. And this 20 is on debit side. If credit is plus up na, debit will be minus. Yes or no? Credit, debit. Plus, minus. What is the gross profit from the business? What is the core business profit? 1,30,000 rupees. From that, accounting rule says that you deduct abnormal loss. So what is the actual business profit? What is the actual business profit? 1,10,000 rupees. Now, will Annapurna pay you goodwill for this 110 or will he pay goodwill for this 130? Annapurna is interested in your core business profit. Annapurna says that you were careless in doing your business. Hence, you got a loss of 20,000. The same business, if I run in future, I will take care of everything properly. So I will not have any of these losses in future. Up in the losses when the future la Annapurna irukada appadina, in the loss future la, should I still keep it or eliminate it? Should I still keep it or eliminate it? Again, I'm telling, listen to me very carefully. What are we trying to calculate? What are we trying to calculate? Goodwill. What is goodwill? Future profit. How am I calculating future profit? From past profit. In the past, Tasty Bites has done some carelessness, ignorance. because of which there's an abnormal loss of 20,000. Annapurna says that this loss will not happen to me in future because I will take care of everything properly. So in the past profit, should I not make the adjustment for the abnormal loss? The abnormal loss, what is included? Should I not remove it? Should I not remove it? I should remove it. So to remove what I should do? Add or minus? Add or minus? Now when I say the word remove, it says minus, but it's not minus. Think about it. Already in this 130, 20 is subtracted. I'm going to cancel this effect. In the 20 subtract பண்ணது cancel பண்ணோம். ஒரு minus item cancel பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னு what I'm supposed to do? Add back 20,000. That's why I told you, don't by heart. Removal of the item does not mean always minus. It depends on the nature of item. Got it, not got it. Still, if you're not clear, come and apply this equation. I want to get this. This is x. This is x. Now tell me, people, how do I get it? Keep x on the left hand side and take this minus 20,000 to other side. So minus 20 when it goes to other side becomes plus 1 plus 20. So 1,20,000 net profit plus abnormal losses 20,000. How much does it become? 1,30,000. So when I say in the net profit, gain is included apdina, it is already added. To cancel the addition, what am I supposed to do? Minus, subtraction. When I say in this net profit, loss is included. Inclusion means how much? Minus. Loss is always subtracted from your profits. To cancel the subtraction effect, what am I supposed to do? Add back. Is it that difficult to remember? Tell me. Tell me. Now, 20,000 abnormal loss, which is already subtracted. To cancel the subtraction, I added 20,000 here. Any big problem? Now, coming to third year. In this year, the net profit in the P&L is 85,000, which is including profit of 5,000 and sale of fixed asset. Sale of fixed asset is what type of gain? Abnormal gain. It is an abnormal gain. It is a non-business gain. I didn't start this tasty bite business that one fine day I will sell the asset and make a profit. That was not the motive. And Annapurna is not attracted, not interested in this 5,000. Annapurna says that on this 5,000, I will not pay goodwill because this gain will not happen to me in future. Now, purul vikkamata. Asset vikkamata. So I will not have any gain. So why should I pay the goodwill on that profit, which I'm not going to earn? What is goodwill? Future profit. So what Annapurna is going to earn, on that they want to pay goodwill. When Annapurna is not going to earn this, why will Annapurna pay goodwill on this? So this 5,000 is included in this 85,000. Means what? Income is always added to the profit. Income is added to the profit. To remove income, addition, what I'm supposed to do? Subtraction. Got it, not got it. So 85,000 minus 5,000. 85,000 minus 5,000. Any big difficulty? Sir, how do we present this in exam? One, the way they have done in the textbook, that is also allowed. But this format will become a problem when when you have multiple adjustments for 1 year. ஒரே வருஷத்துக்கு multiple adjustment அப்படின்னா it will become a problem. So I'll give you now a method, which is a method given in the state board book. That method I'm going to follow. So all of you, I suggest you to follow the same only. The format goes this way. Particulars. Year, which year it is? 23, 24, 23, 24, 24, 25, 25, 26. How much is the profit, people? Please write down the profit for each year. How much it is? 1 lakh, 110, 85. 1 lakh, 1,10,000 and 85,000. Any problem here? No. Now, let me talk about the first year. In first year, what is the problem, people? There is an abnormal gain of 10,000 inside this 1 lakh. Will Annapurna pay goodwill for this abnormal gain? No. Guys, already I have a profit. In the profit, gain is added or subtracted? Already added. In the profit is already added. To remove it, what I'm supposed to do? Minus. So less abnormal gain. Less abnormal gain. In which year? First year. How much it is? 10,000. Here, put it dash and dash. What is next? In next year, there's an abnormal loss of 20,000. In profit, losses are subtracted or added. In a profit, in case loss aachana, do I add or minus generally? I already subtracted it. To cancel the subtraction, to remove it, what I'm supposed to do? To reverse it, what I'm supposed to do? Add back. So add back abnormal loss, 20,000. Add abnormal loss, 20,000 here. What is next? In this 85,000, 5,000 is profit on sale of fixed assets, which is an abnormal gain. 5,000 is already included in profit. Gain is added. To minus it, to remove it, I have to minus. Sorry, to remove it, I have to minus it. So less. Don't get abnormal gain income. What language they're using? Same language you'll use it. So what language will you use it? Less profit on sale of fixed assets. How much it is? 5,000 rupees. 5,000 rupees. Now tell me, people, what is the balance profit for each year? 90,000, 1 lakh, 30,000, 80,000. This is called as core business profit or normal business profit, or also called as future maintainable profit. Means what? This is the profit that Annapurna is expecting to maintain on an average in future. Hence, it is called as future maintainable profit. Got it? Not got it? Now take this profit as a base to do all the average profit calculations and goodwill calculation. This is the genuine profit on which the goodwill calculation has to be done. So now, please tell me, people, what is the requirement of the question? To calculate goodwill using what method? Average profit method. What average? Nothing mentioned means simple average profit into number of years of purchase. How much is number of years of purchase? 3 or 2? Donkey fellow, 2 years of purchase. Who said 3? They're telling 3 years ka average you do. But it is 2 years. Be careful. This is where people get confused. Be careful. It is 2 years of purchase. Simple average profit. I need working note number 2. Sir, 1 no, sir. Arey donkey fellow, working note number 1 is what? Working note 1 is calculation of adjusted profit. Adjusted profit. This is the profit coming after adjustment. So this is also called as adjusted profit. Adjusted profit. Core business profit on the number language use pandradhukku. Normal business profit given in question. That also you can use it. Also future maintainable profit. Anything is fine. Which method? Hey Baba, this is not state board method. The format of calculating this profit is state board. Why? Because when in 1 year multiple adjustments comes, no, how will you fit those adjustments here? Purida. So it's not state board method. Forget what I said. It's not state board method. I gave you one presentation which can accommodate multiple adjustments in 1 year. In TS level book also in one place they've done it. So it's not state board method or my method. It is the most convenient method of solving. Got it? Not got it? Again, I'm repeating. Forget I said state board method. This is not Pratik sir's method. This is an alternative method to make your life easy. Again, I'm repeating one more time. Whether you're writing state board exam for CBSE, ISC board exam, or CA foundation, or any CA examination, please understand, for main answers, there's a format that you have to follow that cannot be deviated. For working note, in some places, a certain format should be there that has to be followed. No deviations. But there are some working notes where you have the flexibility to prepare the way you want to prepare. Neither your teacher can stop, nor I can stop, nor God can stop, nor your board evaluator can stop. Got it? Not got it? One such example I gave for past adjustment. It is acceptable. In accounts, you can do certain things in more than one way. There's a freedom given by the accounts itself. So when accounting rules cannot stop, nobody else can stop. If your CBSE board is specifically stopping you, okay, this is not acceptable now, I will tell you upfront, I will never teach you something which is not applicable to you. Please bear this in your mind. I will never teach you something which is not applicable to you. What is applicable to you, that only I'll teach it. So forget that question from your mind that is this applicable or not. If this is not applicable, I wouldn't have given this to you. Am I loud and clear? But here, one disclaimer. This format, some of your school teachers may like or may not like it. That risk I will not take. That responsibility I will not take. Because I'm not here to please them. I'm not here to teach what they like. I'm here to teach what is acceptable. This is acceptable. Objection should not come. If it comes, you let me know. I'll tell you how to handle it. Got it, not got it? Okay. Now, people, how do I calculate simple average profit? Total profit divided by number of years. Donkey fellow, don't take total profit of this given in the question. You will do the total profit of adjusted profits, which is coming from your working note number 1. How much it is? 90,000 plus 130 plus 80. 90,000 plus 130 plus 80. Very 80. Okay, 80. Whole divided by 3. How much it is? 3 lakh by 3. How much it is? 1 lakh is your average profit. This is called as average past profit, average future maintainable profit. So in future, on an average, what profit Annapurna is expecting to maintain? 1 lakh. Into 2 years, how much? 2 lakh is your goodwill. Got it, not got it? Any big difficulty? Super. So based on this only, question 2 is there. Can you take this as homework? Only one adjustment is there. Hence I gave this as homework. Next, question 5. It says that already. Pavan, what is the time? Class is till 2:30 only, no? Not till 2:30? 11? Oh, yeah, okay. So sorry. I thought till 2:30 it is there. Oh my God. So I actually had one more question to do it. With that, this concept would have got over. Next class I would have started directly super profit method. Oh. Tomorrow, what is this timing in the schedule? Foundation? No, evening for this 12 CBC class. What timing? 6:45. School started tomorrow. School is starting. CS Academy. For whom school is starting for like tomorrow? For which all schools they are starting tomorrow? Nee mattuma. Online thane. What time will come back home? 5:30 you'll come down there. Then what? 6 o'clock you come here. அப்படின்னு ஒன்று கொடுக்கணுமா நான் மனசாட்சின்னு சொல்லிட்டு சரி ஓகே ரைட் tomorrow 6:30 sharp I'll start. 6:30 dot means 6:30 dot. I'll not wait also. 6:30 to 7:15 I'll spend time. Shh, I'm not done. 7:15 this illustration 5 will eat away. And tomorrow I have to start super profit method and I have to complete it also. Okay, wa? Okay. So tomorrow when are we meeting? What time? 6:30 sharp. Hello people, that's all from my side for this session. I'll see you all tomorrow evening 6:30 p.m. sharp. Until then, bye-bye. See you. Take care. Thank you so much.